Ah, what up, chat? I'm hungry. I don't know if I could trade if I'm hungry. Need some food. Need some food. Some food indeed. Need some more seafood or something. How do I even use this? How do I remove these lines here? What is this? News, right? News folders. How do I? Hey chat, how do you remove news folders on your MT5 again? I want to see this at the bottom. Click on trade. Then what? We can lie, chat. I forgot how to use MT5 on my desktop at least. What's going on though? What it do? What it do, baby? What it do? Welcome, what it do? Summertime, summertime, summertime. Where's my camera? Hold on. Where did my camera go? Oh. 1 second. Let me just make sure it's on the right one. Okay. All right, now we should be back, baby. What it do, chat? What it do? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Yeah. No feet cam, please. I got you. What's going on, chat? It's been a long time. But we're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. There's a tan. I'm already dark. I don't tan. Like I don't think I barely tan. I tan, but barely. Like I'm already dark. I tan a lot when I was younger, so it stopped for me. You know, I already reached my pinnacle. I definitely tan, but I don't think I tan that much, to be honest. We're back, chat. Back to the back testing. Can I see the trading history, please? Sure, man. Starting off with this stuff, aren't we? Yeah. Yep. Here we go. There you go. There you go. As you can see, I've taken maybe 2-3 trades since what do you call it? The vacation. No good morning. No, Don, how's your day going? How's your vacation? Just show me the trade history, or else I'm not watching you because you're a fake streamer. Yeah, I walked away with the winnings for sure. I did. How's your vacation? It was good. It was fun. I recommend you guys going to Turks and Caicos if you guys haven't done so yet, man. If you guys are gonna go to resort, go to Turks and or not resort, sorry, like an area like that, like an island. Turks and Caicos, lit spot, nice, calm. Like you can it's a party. You can party there. You can go there for a nice honeymoon, whatever it is you go on, a nice date. But it's nice there. It's beautiful. Water, it's the cleanest water in the world. It's clean. It's beautiful. But chat, next month I'm going to Aruba. I'm kidding. Actually, maybe. I don't know. But hey, chat, welcome back, man, to another stream with the boy. Another stream with It's Done Vo. I hope Wixnut held it down for you guys, man. I think he did. I think Wixnut did a good job for you guys to hold it down on YouTube for you guys. I think he was averaging like 700 viewers per day, so that's a lit. 700 viewers for New York, and he was averaging maybe like, you know, a couple hundred for Asian too. So he has one yesterday, right, or something like that. Yeah, I know he has one on like 2 days ago, but I'm not sure what happened yesterday. Yesterday, I didn't really trade on Monday, because look at the range we're in. It was just like, one, it was a range we're in. I'm like, and two, it was this. I was on vacation too, so I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna take it easy. I took like one trade maybe during vacation, or two, you can say Friday and Tuesday, but I didn't trade on Monday. I didn't trade on Sunday, so I didn't miss much. Yeah, this is a break-even day. How did I do that? Oops. Sorry, chat. All right. Hold on. Let me just start this Zoom call and we do the analysis. Haven't touched gold, been trading USD CAD. Damn, that is a transition. That is one hell of a transition. Going from gold to USD CAD. Yo, Paul, when's PC giveaway? I think chat's waiting on it. When's the 4090 PC giveaway? 4090 PC with the latest and greatest specs. Oh, we're starting off with this stuff again, huh? If I can make that amount one trade on these one day, well, realistically, your relationship with money will change over time. So it's not like you're gonna go from making $100 a day in the markets to like making a 10K a day in the markets. Like, you're gonna gradually go over time, and as you gradually grow over time, you yourself will gradually grow over time too, as well as your account. And as you gradually grow over time, as you start making more money, you're gonna have a higher tolerance rate. So yeah, right now it might be like, yeah, damn, if I can make 10K a day, I'll retire. Yeah, but you're gonna start off making $100 a day, and then 1,000 a day, and then 2,000 a day, and then 3,000. Like, it's gonna go up over time. And as it goes over time, your relationship to money will change, and therefore 10K for you will be the same as you looking at $100 right now. Because let's say right now your 2% is $100, $200. Later on, your 1-2% could be $10,000, $20,000. So yeah, a lot of people say, yeah, man, if I had your profits, I'll retire. Like, I wouldn't even, but it's like your relationship with money just changes over time as you get consistent. Like, you're not gonna go from $100 to making $100 a day to making 10,000 within a week or two. It's gonna take months, and if anything, years to get there. And as that time goes by, your relationship will change slowly over time. So trust me, you're not gonna have the same mindset when you get there. Go fake out, yeah, I know. All right, chat. Hold on. What up, everyone? Though, how you guys been, man? I miss you guys. What up on the mods? Kira and K, Wix, Paul, Green, Circle. Is Circle here? Yeah, Circle is here, my boy. Who else is here? Where the mods at? I think that's it. Those are the main mods. Green, right? I mentioned Green already. That's it. But welcome everyone else, man. Welcome all the new people, all the loyal viewers that have been watching us since day one. All right, chat. Let's go and hop on the charts and see what's going on today, because hopefully today's the day we break out the range. I'm not gonna lie, looks like Vaughn will pick up today, but we shall see. I don't think it's been that bad, to be honest. I think the market's been pretty decent, but it is what it is, man. It is what it is. All right, so where is the Zoom? The Zoom is here. Did I send the Zoom link? No, I did not. Man, one thing I missed the most of is my M4. Not gonna lie, man. I had the car for like 2 days. My first car for 2 days for my vacation. So when I was on a trip, I was looking at parts for my car the whole time. I spent the whole plane ride home looking at car parts and what to get, and wheels and stuff. All right, Zoom link's been sent. All right. So first of all, chat, if you guys are looking at gold right now, make sure to leave a like on the stream. Sub to the channel if you guys are new. I appreciate that a lot. I think we're about to hit 50K very soon. We're gonna grind to 50K. Once I hit 50K, we're going on our vacation. I mean, we're doing another 24-hour stream. All right, but chat here. So first things first is let's take a look at gold first. I mean, yeah, gold. Let's do gold. So gold here for the, let's see, where's my tools? Gold here for the weekly is gonna be interesting, or for the monthly. Let's start with the monthly. Monthly is interesting because what I'll say about the monthly time frame is the monthly kind of give you a little fake out here, as in terms of like it broke back into the range, right? So at one given point, price broke below the range, right? Obviously, this was us breaking below the range, and then what happened later was you kind of made your way back up into the range. Why? Because these candles already closed back into the range, right? This candle closes back into the range, and then this candle closed back into the range as well. So therefore, there's a high chance that price will likely come up to fill the range, and that's what price kind of did. It made its way up to fill this area here to the left, fill the range. Now, the question now is though, what's going to happen here? Like, are we going to break above this range to drive up? Are we going to close above this resistance to drive up? Or are we going to kind of make it just stay in this range for quite some time, which kind of sucks. But if that were to happen, then, you know, I mean, we'll be ranging, but at least it's a tradable range. This is again like a 3,000 pip range overall. It's a big range, obviously, right? Or 2,000 pip range. It's definitely tradable. It's a monthly time frame again, but you really want to see direction, obviously. And right now you don't really have direction yet. Price is kind of at an indecision level where it's kind of at resistance. There's not a closure above the range indicating that we're going to break out, and there's also not a closure at resistance indicating that we're going to reject. So it's an indecision level due to the fact that it doesn't know what it wants to do yet, because price action shows that it's just, again, at resistance. It's just tapping resistance. There's no rejection confirmed. There's no continuation confirmed. It's just at resistance, right? Last month you had a better direction because you actually closed back into the range here. So you had all this range going up, and it was pretty obvious that we're going to drive up, right, to fill the range. And that's why last month we took a lot of buys. But this month's a little different because you're at resistance. Again, you're at a point where you're at this point, you're at this point, you're at this point. Doesn't mean you're going to reject just yet, even though you rejected it here in the past. It is a resistance, high chance you could reject. But until you actually close bearish like this candle, this candle could do anything. This candle could either pop above the range or break the lows and drive down. Who knows? But until you actually close bearish like this candle and this candle, we don't know what's going to happen here yet, right? So let's take a look at the weekly time frame and see what that is saying for us. The weekly time frame here is pretty bearish, I'll say. You're kind of closing below back into the range here. So look left here. If I were to draw my line going across like this for you guys are going to see that there is a resistance here that looks like that's being broken, right? We're closing below. So therefore, there's a high chance that what you may see here is you may see price make its way down to fill the bottom of the range, which is going to be somewhere at like 1805, right? So that is like my target for the week as you're breaking below this range here. Yeah, I'll say because you're breaking below this range here. You're breaking back into this area here. So therefore, there's a high chance to fill the range coming down towards these levels for a week. So 1806, 1820, anywhere in that zone would be ideal. But again, it's only a Wednesday and you haven't really flipped bearish on a weekly. You kind of just came out, create a top wick. At any given point, you can flip bearish as long as you do not break these highs here. This thing should flip bearish for the week, or it might just end up closing bullish and not flipping. But it's going to come down to the higher time frame versus the smaller time frame, right? So it's going to come down to those time frames. So we're going to figure that out during the week, or if anything right now. So drop down to daily. One thing about the daily here. So remember how I said how the weekly is bearish, right? Weekly is bearish this week. 1824 is roughly your target. If that's the case, then look at the daily. The daily time frame actually, even though it closed bullish yesterday and the day prior, it still closed bearish, respecting resistance. Still closed bearish, respecting 1874. High chance that what you may see here is you may see price make its way down to fill its range. Again, this is also the weekly target, right? 1830, 1820 levels. So if this is the next support you have here to the left hand side, and you have this candle right here that's respecting resistance, and then this candle that's respecting resistance as well, there's a high chance that at any given point what can happen today is you may see price make its way down like this, right? Obviously we have a bullish closure. Technically, we are bullish for a day, but any given point, remember, since we're still below this resistance here, these two candles are closing below. These two candles never closed above resistance yet. If you end up closing bearish below today again, or you end up flipping bearish today, high chance today's candle will likely make its way down to fill the bottom of the range and end up coming down towards these levels. So it's gonna be an interesting next couple of days. I believe you don't have FOMC today, do you? Sorry, I didn't check the news today. You don't have FOMC today. No, you don't have FOMC today. It's a FOMC member speaks, right? FOMC was before I left. That was on Wednesday. That was before I left. That was the day where we made 74 popping pips. Yeah, no, that was there's no FOMC today. Yeah, I was also trying to figure out like why we haven't moved yet the last 3 days, and I was thinking because of news. We need a news folder. We need some catalyst, and I mean, there's nothing this week. There's nothing this week. I'll tell you that. Like, I don't think prelim will move it that much to break out that range, to be honest. There's nothing here, nothing here. Like, there's no major news until maybe CPI on Tuesday. So February 14th, Valentine's Day, I think. Is that Valentine's Day? February 14th, so yeah. So you don't move until Valentine's Day. Or there's no news until Valentine's Day, no heavy news. And then you have retail sales the following week. And then you got a PPI. And then you got, that's it. Bank holiday on February 20th. What day is that? President's Day. What is Family Day? What? Damn, so America got President's Day and Canada got Family Day. Do you guys have Family Day in America? I forgot this is a holiday. I forgot that's a holiday. Anyways, yeah. Chat, ask then ask. So if like the daily's bearish day, right? As I said, if the daily's bearish and we're still respecting that resistance there, respecting this range here, there's a high chance it can come down today. However, where's the flip again? Let's take a look. The flip is going to be at the 1871 mark. Okay, so interesting. Let's keep that in mind. Let's drop down to a small time frame and see what we can do today for positions. Looks like, so okay, here's the thing. So it looks like the 1 hour broke out of the range. It's been in for the last couple of days. We finally broke out at one given point. We're in the range from basically here to basically here, right? This is the range we're in. So we broke out, which indicates volume. It doesn't indicate the direction just yet. It could indicate the direction if price respects the direction, but regardless of wherever price breaks out, that indicates volume. So we broke it to the upside. Cool. This is volume. Don't care where it goes. There's volume. Cool. I'll take it as it is, right? So if overall the weekly and the daily is bearish, right? There's a high chance that this could be a fake out. This can be a range one fake out on a 1 hour time frame, because you had this resistance up here, you had the support down here, and since you're breaking back into the range, or it could be breaking back into the range, it's a high chance you can come down to fill the range and drive back into the range. Now, it comes down to a smaller time frame really, because you can also get a range 2 breakout by today above these levels here to the left, because you can say this is your support, right? And then this is your resistance up here, and then this is range 1. Oops, this is range 1, and then this is range 2 over here. So this is a range 2 breakout buy. So here's the thing, we're gonna drop down to a smaller time frame and see what we can do here. I will say the 1 hour time frame looks like it closed back into the range, right? It closed back into the range. Yeah, it did. Yeah, it did close right below support. So let's see. I mean, honestly, today for buys would be pretty straightforward. Anything above 1886 going up would be perfect for buys. You have that range 2 as well going up over there, off the 1 hour time frame. So above there going up for us, coming up towards, let's see, maybe towards 1903. If you were to break above for buys today, and then the sells with the buys for a day, I would consider taking sells maybe below. So this is your support right here. You have a pretty obvious support right here. I'll say Let's see, because this can also act as a range 2 here. So you can have like a resistance here. So then this could be your range 1 kinda, and then this could be your range 2 over here, and this is your range 2 breakup below here maybe. It's either sells below 1879. Yeah, buys above here obviously, right? Buys above there, price for the breakout. That's your range 2 breakout, and then sells would be probably below, either below 1879 for us today, or if we can form some type of range below. So like there's no really my support here yet, but if you were to close below and let's say like we don't get any sells, but price ends up doing something like this where it kind of makes a range here, then yeah, you break those lows again, I'll take sells, because this would be your new support and this could be your range 2 if you don't think this is a range 2 already, if that makes sense. And you can say just sells once you break below the range like this, below 1876 or whatever it is the price does that at. Okay, so yeah, but for now I guess we can just say sells will be below, what is this, 1879. Those will be my sells, coming down towards the next support, which takes you down towards 1875, 1874ish, anywhere in that zone. I think the 1 hour is bearish though. Then it's about to break the highs. It's a very weak bearish candle. Yeah, 15 flips bearish, 30 flips bearish, 4 hour flips bullish though. Daily flips bearish though. That's the thing. Yeah, pretty straightforward today, chat. So what I'll do today for you guys, to be honest, is I would not touch this range. I would not touch this range. And I will only touch buys above this range. I will only touch sells below this range, or once you form a range 2 below that range. All right, chat. That's probably what we're gonna do. Why sell support and not buy? Because for the last 3 years, I've been buying at resistance and selling at support. That's all I've been doing. That's all I've been doing, man. A lot of people tell you buy low, sell high. But when it comes to the markets, I like to follow the trend. I don't like to predict the trend. So when the markets are buying, I'm buying. When the markets are selling, I'm selling. I am in no position to guess and predict where price will go. I'm no magician. I just follow the analysis, follow the trend. Hashtag miss the move. Always. Is it miss the move, or are we missed the move? LeBron James, Cleveland. Hey, LeBron passed the scoring record of all time. And now people are gonna start hating, start saying this for LeBron, that for LeBron. LeBron's a crybaby. LeBron got a lot of haters, man. Just like Wickstein, he got a lot of haters too. What's the deal?
What's the deal?
What's the deal?
We needed a collective what's the deal over there.
I haven't spoke to Wickstein since Friday, chat. No, since I left the stream.
We've been playing phone tag. The guy calls me, I call him. He calls me, I call him. But we never get to speak. We just call each other back all the time to show that we're normal. That
Yeah,
we call each other back.
No. Ever consider it?
Yeah, but we don't really speak to each other. He calls me, I don't pick up. I call him, he ignores it.
Yo, I was right near the beach yesterday.
Yeah, I know you were right near the beach.
Boy.
I think I saw your plane passing by overhead.
Oh yeah, for real. It was a Grant Cardone one.
No, it said "Marry me, Becky."
Who the fuck is Becky?
Becky with the good hair. Yo, I'm so glad you're back and I don't gotta do this shit.
What do you mean? You still got a trade agent session.
Yeah, I don't have to talk about it. I could take a puff.
Is it New York session more like the chat, the vibes are different, right?
Yeah, the
It's
vibes
more
are different.
serious during New York session for some reason. It's like not serious, but it's more like people are more on you.
Yeah, but it's all right. I'm Wix.
You also had all-time high viewers.
No, almost.
What?
Or
Yeah,
maybe I did. I
yeah,
don't know. I
700.
didn't. I didn't break it that. Yeah, but for New York session for covering, I think the very first week I've ever covered you last year, like middle of last year. Um, I had I think 1,000 viewers the first two streams. That was like middle of the year.
Damn, bro. 1,000 viewers. Nah, I wish I had 1,000 viewers.
Weeks taking trades and stands on stream. Then apologize you couldn't communicate. No, we had 3 trades, 3 Ws. One of the trades, I just said, "Hey, I'm in right here."
Hey, how many times did you ask? Show your terminal.
I don't know. They asked weird questions. It's the funny thing is the questions are different between the Asian session and the New York session. The questions you get are different.
Trust me.
But you get different questions, but you get the same old calm effects. Calm the troll. Where is he? Did you get 7K? No, we're 1 sub away from 7K. I'm sitting at 6999. That's some bullshit.
That's good. You can get 7K during your session today.
Yeah, we're probably already at 7K now that I mentioned it. But yeah, number one question was
Where's your terminal, bro?
no, that was number 3 question, I think.
What are your thoughts on funded accounts?
Something like that. I think you started that, you asshole.
Huh? I didn't do
I think
anything.
that was your fault.
I
didn't do
did
it.
not. I was,
They all said Don
I was
asked
minding
us
my
to.
own business in my vacation.
They all said, "Hey, Don asked us to troll you."
I could never. Yeah, by the way,
They
though,
all
you
did.
might gotta do it next month. I'm going to Aruba.
They all snitched on you.
Yeah, you might gotta do it next month again, though.
Are you sub to my channel?
Me?
Yeah.
Of course.
I think you might be the missing link here right now.
What do you mean? I'm sub right here.
I don't believe you.
Please subscribe. And liked. 6.99. Let's see. Oh, 6.99.
Yeah, we're still not there. WTF chat.
Wait, so what did you guys take yesterday? You guys took
On your session, nothing.
break
But
even,
on your
right?
session, last night we had a break even, and on the day before that we took trade on your session and on my session.
What was a nice 1 hour candle? What did a 1 hour do
Nice
after that?
4 hour. Look at the closed with no top wick.
Wait, but what did a 1 hour do after that though? Let's see.
It ranged, came back down in range, and then by London, like I said, if it comes back down in range, literally said it by London, I would look for more buys.
Oh yeah, London
That's
created
what
a
it
bond
did.
wick and just popped. Respecting
Yeah.
resistance. Wait, but
Yeah,
what
but-
was this though? What time was that at?
Yeah, the time's not to the left. You can see the time on the stream.
This was 10 a.m. or 10 p.m. So am I tripping? No, I can't see that. I can't see that candle. Is this the candle? No, that's not the candle. Is this gold? Gold Oanda. 1 hour. Oh, this is a 15. Okay. I'm like, what?
So I went break even once we closed with no top wick on the hourly, and it came back, and it ranged to London. Hey, we're at 7K.
Wait, oh, this is the candle. It's just zoomed in. Okay, it's right here. I'm like, where's the candle? Okay, am I tripping? Okay. Yeah, this range is not nice. It was dirty.
Dirty range.
Dirty range for sure.
I mean, if you look at the 4 hour, it was a 4 hour flip with
Yeah, the high time
closing
makes
up.
sense. This is the-
It made complete sense. So we just waited on the smaller time frame. Flip above. If the hourly didn't have a no top wick, it left a little wick on top, I probably wouldn't have closed. It would have left. We would have hit full TP. We would have hit 40 pips. but that hourly.
I'm just saying overall though, like the last like 3 days, like we haven't really moved.
Yeah, this has been this range. Like you left, gold was like, you know what? Let's just wait for him.
Yeah, today is
Let's
moving.
just wait
Today's
for
breaking.
Don.
Today is coming back. The bomb's coming here too.
I called, but I called. I said when we're gonna come up here and make a little top wick here on the weekly, and then Thursday, Friday, you know, Don's back, and then we're gonna drive.
Wait, today's Wednesday or what? What day is it today? Wednesday.
Why you had to? Did you get a ticket for gold with you, Turks and Caicos? Gold was on the beach this weekend like this, feet up and shit.
It moved yesterday. I caught a piece of it yesterday during New York session. Oh, not anything too crazy, but yo, you see the daily time frame? That's a nice daily time frame. You see how it's respecting this resistance?
Wait for it to flip back down. Like I just said, the weekly for Thursday and Friday, she'll drive us back down.
Yep.
And if it
It's
does,
gonna be
if the weekly comes
interesting.
back down and just closes bullish, but still respecting that resistance next week, we're
Yeah.
in for a
Celebrate.
aggro week. We're gonna drive straight down next week.
Chat's like, what do you mean next week? I want to trade right now. I want to
Right
trade
now.
right now. I do not want to wait till next week. Don't use those words next week, tomorrow. I want to trade
Matter
right
of fact,
now.
I'm coming over your house right now, so we could do this right now. I'm bringing my laptop. So how's the vacation? So happy you're back.
This is good, man.
Would you miss more, the 5M or the M4?
The M4. I had the 5M on me.
Yeah, he did bring the
I got a
5M.
mosquito bite though. I feel it. Yeah, the M4 though. I want to hear. It's in the garage, right? So I want to hear the cold start though.
Hell yeah.
That sound crazy. I was looking at parts all trip too. Wheels.
What kind of parts? Oh,
Well, I was looking at cosmetics, just the exterior stuff.
Ah,
I don't know if I'm tuning or anything, so it's like I haven't got that deep into cars yet to the point where
nah,
I
just
know.
make it look fast. That's it.
Yeah,
Make it look fast and park
fast.
it.
Like it's an M4. I'm gonna keep it stock probably. F82. Put flames on it. Like yeah.
I heard flames add like 25 horsepower.
For real?
Yeah, if you just draw some flames on your hood, just go faster.
Lambo on the way. Yes, sir. Urus on the way. After I get some more experience in my car, I'm on it. This is like my first car, right? So it's like my little, it's like a beater car. Not really though, because it's M4, but it's like my first car ever. So it's like it's a car before my actual car.
Chat's like, he got an M4 as a beater.
Yeah, bro. M4 basically a beater, you know? It's not...
Ooh, we different out here. I don't hear nothing.
Get in. I'm gonna take good care of it, man. No scratches, nothing.
Where did you travel again? He was in the future, and now he's back to let us know where these candles are going. Don disappeared real quick. Just back to the future.
Back to reality. What's that song by Eminem?
There
Back
goes.
to reality. Is Eminem?
Oh, there goes gravity. There goes gravity. Choke. Good song. I used to rock with that shit. Quarter mile 96 Civic.
Pardon?
People think they're fucking been Dom Toretto over here looking for a quarter mile car.
Where you travel again? I went to Turks and Caicos. I brought you guys a gift, some sand.
Yo, he went to Turks and Caicos, and you know how they had the earthquake in Turkey? Everyone was like, is Don okay?
I was touching
It's
like
done.
sharks and stuff. You
You're
saw that?
you're a savage for that.
There was like
I
sharks
thought it
and
was a
like
I thought it was a turtle. When I saw the video, I thought it was a turtle. I ain't see no sharks. The most dangerous thing you did was walking on those rocks outside your pool. Like them rocks did not look good.
then what?
Why couldn't they? Why you had rocks outside your pool? Why couldn't they put some fucking
Yo,
grass down?
because it's a very unfinished. Because 9x2 is a golf course. Like I'm pretty sure it's unfinished or like I don't know. This is how it is in Turks. Like that's how everything is in Turks. I don't think anything is like
Unfinished?
finished. Yeah,
Everything's unfinished.
everything's fucking unfinished there. It's this is how it is.
Guys, we're gonna lay down the grass. No, fuck it. We need another hotel. Build another one. Fuck the grass.
Man grab a jellyfish in his bare hands, but yeah, it was the ones that like they don't do anything. They don't like itch you or anything. I think like they're just mini. They're called upside down jellyfish. So they're like
They
this.
sting. They gotta sting. All jellyfish sting.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh well, I'm just a different breed, you know. Like come on. Nah,
I
I swear they
know.
don't do anything. Like I didn't feel anything. I felt a little tingle, but I'm like, you know, something light. Just put that shit down. Wash hands with
Crazy.
sand after.
I see that shit right there. I'm moving.
Dude, they
I'm gonna
sting.
go
I don't think
straight
these. I
over.
think these are. I don't think these sting, man. They can sting swimmers. Mild to severe. Oh
severity.
shit!
Yo ass almost died. You don't even know it.
Hold on, wait. No. Turks and Caicos.
Oh yeah, but in Turks they don't, right? They over
Yeah,
there,
quite mild.
their
There's always
vacation.
a small itchy well. It's like quite mild. Something like. Yeah, you
Yeah,
know.
your vacation jellyfish are on vacation as well. They're taking it easy. They don't sting there. Crazy. You almost lost a hand, bro.
But why would they sting for it? They breathe. I saw it breathing though. It was moving. It was pulsing like, you know. But it didn't sting me. I felt a little tingle, but I thought that was just me being itchy, you know. Yeah, I got good energy. I came with peace. I did grip it a little bit though by accident, but I came with peace. The guy told me that I don't sting, so I just touch it. I'm like, all right, bet. So I just grabbed it. There's a big one too. There's a big one. There's a small one. I grabbed a little tiny one. I didn't want to touch the big one.
The big one.
I didn't squeeze him. I just grabbed him like this. He's very slippery and slimy though. He or she.
In words, you ask him how he identifies. They, them.
Hey man, that jellyfish gave me some superpowers. New name is Jelly Pips.
Jelly pips.
Jelly Pips FX. Yeah, you add anything to FX, it sounds crazy. Like imagine Jelly FX. That's your name. In this industry, you add anything to FX. Like what do you guys want?
Shitstorm FX.
Yo, like it just sounds crazy. Sounds neat. New playbook, Jelly Pips. New play. What are you waiting for in this range? Well, I want to see if we could break above 1886. I'm honestly waiting for a breakout either above 1886 or a breakout below 1879. That's what I'm waiting for. I don't really like the way it's in this range here. I mean, it is tradable. There is some range going up here. Maybe above here if you get a range 2, but above 1882. Sorry, 1883, 1884, but you need a range 2 first. So I want to see whatever happened here form again right here, and then we'll be in there.
Oh, what's up with the Baby Pips website?
Oh yeah.
It comes pre-installed on the free PC giveaway that Paul's giving away.
Let me message him.
You get it pre-installed on there. Get those together. Paul, did you give away the 5090 yet? he even on here? He's not on here. Stream hopper.
Yeah, well, I'm waiting for the website chat. I don't know if I could. I don't know if I can open this up. Okay, I can show you guys this. This is the website. Obviously, it's not done yet, but
The jellyfish.
yeah, it's like it's not clickable or anything. Yeah, it's just like templates. I think they're almost done. Basically, they told me they're almost done. So
They knew you were on vacation. They're like, you know what? Vacation time, guys. He's gone. No work.
yeah, this is it. Like, this is it basically. It's not done, but this is like, you know, the
What?
good stuff.
What's with the language over there?
Yo, it's again, it's not a.
Yeah, but
What language is
it?
it again? It was what was that again? That was. What was that again, chat? You guys told me what that was. What was that? The lorem stuff.
Latin.
Oh yeah, Latin. Yeah, I like a bunch of other stuff, making it look a little neater. I have one question though. Like, they really chose any Asian guy, huh? They're like, brought to you by Don Vo. Like, this is not me. They're like, yep, this is him. You know,
To you, by brought to yo.
you know how I know they're taking forever? Because they started making this website when I had 34K. Now I have 44K subs. It took damn near 10K subs.
10K subs later. Wrong Asian guy.
No, it's not done. They just put a template for there for now. I guess. Country Cup subs going soon. I just need to make videos, yeah. Which I'm plotting. Like I have somebody writing my scripts for me nowadays. Well, not my scripts. They just help me with videos basically. And you guys will get more videos for sure. Shit, man. Hope we get volume here. You see this? You see how gold can made close bullish at the support here? I mean, the 15 close above, the third is about close above in about a minute and a half here. The four are slipping bullish.
A little bit different than yours.
The four are slipping bullish. I just need a range too. I want to see maybe above 83.
I want a range 2 with the bias.
Yeah. Yes, I do. What do you have? You have this level up here? I want to see above. I want to see something being created here and then buys above here. 84.
No, my level's right below that level. I got it. There, I'll show you. Right here. I think we close above. We're gonna respect it and drive up. And then this is enough right here. This candle didn't close above, just drove straight up. But this is enough of an advantage point if we get a decent closure to drive straight through here.
Yeah, we have the same level basically. All right, where would I say up here?
You had it, I think, right here. Yeah.
Here's not bad. I just want to see it create resistance. Wherever it creates resistance, honestly.
Yeah.
Technically, this is all clean traffic going up.
I agree. I concur.
Question is though, when, where, how?
What stop loss would I use? Well, I would probably get there and wait for us to come back in range. And at that point, we're just going to be breaking the previous hourly highs and all that fun stuff.
Before we buy the course of signals, don't buy the course of signals, bro. Just watch the live streams.
Word. Fuck the course.
Fuck, like, don't fuck the course. Fuck the
You
signals. Like,
need.
why?
You
Why
don't need.
you don't need that shit, bro? Go watch the streams. They're free.
Like everything you need to know is online for free.
Yeah, the whole like.
But if you would like to be in tune with what we're doing a lot quicker than just watching the year's worth of streams, then you watch the streams and get the course, and then you're really on the same page as we are.
Like you don't need the course one. If you watch the streams for every day for at least 3 months, you know, you get education out of it, you get value out of it. 2, signals. You can get signals for free if you just come to the streams every day. Because look at the record. 135, 61, 43 the last year and a half on stream. All on stream for free. So it's like you get the best of both worlds if you just tune in every day though. The course is for people it's for people who don't want to tune in and don't have time to tune in. They got busy, they got work, you know, they're busy. They can't show up every day in the morning. That makes sense. That's fine. But if you can tune in every day for 3 to 4 or 5 months straight, by the 4th, 5th month, you'll have a decent understanding of what we do. But you ain't gotta buy anything. I'm never gonna say buy my stuff. Never buy my whatever courses, signals, you know. Just come to the streams, man. Come to the streams, leave a like and sub. Share a stream. That's it. We're trying to be the #1 streamers. I think it's doable, chat. I think it's doable. New withdrawal soon on Blueberry though. I finally hit the 500k mark. And I told myself when I hit that mark, I'm gonna make another withdrawal. So maybe
You should withdraw everything above 500k. Hit 600, take out 100, leave 500 flat in there. Give it another like few weeks. Wait a few weeks.
yeah. I was thinking maybe end of the month, mid-month.
That's a good feeling. Taking out like leaving a flat 500 in there. Here, trust me, you're gonna like that. Like, damn, I got my withdrawal already, and there's still 500 in there. Yeah. Use your trading account to pay bills and shit. No, just to pay bills. Not wiping my ass with dollars yet. Oh wait, this isn't my stream.
Well, I triggered to sell on February 3rd. February 3rd, what day was that? This one right here, 16 whatever. He sells. This was, I think, if I'm not wrong, 16 is what time here? Oh, right here. Yeah, this was on a plane. We caught this on the plane. We caught this whole move on the plane. Hey, they're right, man. You go on a plane, you get 100% win rate, no slippage. It was true. I hopped on the plane, and we had nothing, no slippage, nothing. Yeah, this is a signal.
That's
this
all
is called.
wrote.
This was 9:19. Sell gold now. TP smacked at 10.
9:19.
Yep.
That's during my stream. I had a position at that time.
Yep. On Friday, right? On
We had two
NFP day.
positions. I got it 11 pips and 14 pips.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, we had it for 95. We just trail. I trailed that day.
Yeah, you just left the position open. I had two separate positions.
Yep. And then we had one yesterday too. Yesterday was very small. Yesterday was just maybe 10 pips, 8 pips, something like that. That's it. All good. That's all I did. But nothing since that. All right. Looks like you have found some type of support here. On that note, You need resistance now. So this could be the resistance, yeah, but I would prefer we could form up here.
How supportive of you.
Why didn't you sell on February 3rd? We just answered the question. What do you mean? Oh, why? I know why. We didn't really say why. That's why. Why did we enter the sales on February 13? Because the day was bearish. The 1 hour just closed bearish, and the 1 hour had room to drive down to fill the range. I think it was the 1 hour time frame. I can't really go back and see, but from what I remember, I think it was the 1 hour time frame. Or was it the 15? I forgot what it was on Friday. It's been a long vacation. I think it was either 15 or 30. I don't think it was the 1 hour. I think it was a 15 or 30. And also the 5 too. The 5 was the entry. Because you had a push from news, right? NFP came up bearish, price drove down, and then we got a continuation of
the
news.
higher time frame
continuing down. Yeah, continuing down. And it came down to retest the lows. And that's it. That's all she wrote. But we didn't catch the news. I didn't care for news. I saw news though. I was looking at this. I was looking at position before news, and I was looking at it. I'm like, would it play out before news? And I realized that even if I was in a position before news, I would have been in this range and for like an hour or 2 hours during that whole New York session. And then it finally drove down. I didn't catch that, and we caught the piece afterwards.
The Bart Simpson drive down.
We caught the move that everyone says you missed the move. That's the move we caught. The you missed the move, which is the move we always catch.
Mm-hmm.
The Bart Simpson, yeah. What's happening that drawdown? The 5? Yeah. Bart Simpson played out again. Damn. There goes that, man.
Yeah, Daniel, we get roughly 1 trade a day. 1 trade a session, roughly. That's the average.
Yeah, I come every day though. Today's session. If you want to trade a Wix though, you can't just come one day. You know, because you're not gonna get a trade every day. But if you come every day, you have a higher chance to get a trade. Catch a trade with Wix. What's the record for you guys? 8-2 or something?
No, 10-3-3.
That's a good record. I'm 0-0-0 for February on stream.
3-0 or 4-0 in February. 4-0. I don't keep it for the month. I just have a stream record.
I have a lifetime record, yeah.
It's irrelevant what the monthly record is. You really want the big sample size. And if you're keeping a journal, you're gonna see when the trades were.
You guys have a journal?
Do, but I haven't filled it out fully yet.
Oh yeah, it's fucked. It's fucked. There's no journal until next year.
No, I have. I know I can do it. I'm like 8 trades behind. I got like 3 trades on there. 4 trades. The first 4 trades we took. And then I haven't done it. I got to do it before it gets really bad. Before I'm like 25 trades behind, then I'm not gonna do it.
Yeah, do that ASAP. Before they on you.
Yeah, I don't really care. They gonna be on whatever.
Yeah. Once you have the record, you know what's next?
I don't give a damn. Don't bring that negativity into my fucking space. Go touch grass. Go smoke grass. I need none of that.
You know what's next?
I already know what's next. They all want my MT5 on there.
No, that's not what's next. You're missing what's next. They're gonna ask you, what are your thoughts on funded accounts?
Oh, that's one of the questions that I'm getting all the time. I think ComFX, the homie, I think he's triggering that. Look,
Complex.
asked that like
Complex
18
is a
times a session.
troll.
Biggest troll ever.
When just taking 50-50 trades, when to start becoming profitable. Who takes a 50-50 trade? I do not. It's either 80-20 or 70-30. 50-50 though is a little wild. 50-50, you might need to reevaluate for a bit. Tune that strategy a bit. And then, unless you're a swing trader, it's a little different story. You know, when you're a swing trader, you're RR monster, it's a little different. But if you're a scalper taking 50-50, it's very difficult, man. Very, very difficult. The homie calm. Homie is definitely not here. He's sleeping.
Be calm right now.
Oh, Goldberg back into the range here. Okay. Okay. Are you interested in the subs below 1879? Because the 1 hour candle was still respecting this resistance here. 1880. So if you close bearish on the 1 hour time frame after breaking the highs.
But. That's a lot of volume. It's a lot of clean range to come down to.
Yeah. And yeah, the 1 hour range one fake out. Overall.
My thing is the daily broke the daily highs, but if you look at the level here on the daily, there's another wick to the left. If you see it right here. So we never broke that wick. If we don't break that, this is a really good rejection point for the daily.
Also, yeah, the daily is technically still bearish, like still below that range.
We reject and start anticipating this move down.
Yeah.
With the range twos, I think somewhere over here is ideal to look for entries. Once this candle starts flipping bearish.
Wait, where's that candle flip again? What was that? That was 1871, right? That flip is down here.
Yeah. But what we're saying is that if you start coming back into this range, you can anticipate the daily to start flipping, start heading down, that being the top wick for it. It's going to be the daily closure today is going to be key to see if we come down for the rest of the week.
Man, I dropped my phone in sand and it's never been the same.
Just wash it. Isn't it waterproof?
Yeah, I dipped my phone in the water to get those videos, so I'm guessing it is. But
that's why it hasn't been the same. You dipped it into salt water, fool. You're supposed to put anything into salt water. You need some rice.
No, it works. It's just the buns are mushed.
It's that salt. Salt water dried up. Now it's just salt.
Smells like Turks and Caicos.
Yeah, it works like Turks and Caicos too. Mush.
Yo, Turks and Caicos, they're on island timing. Like when I order my food in Turks and Turks,
yeah,
they
man,
took
don't worry about
forever.
it.
Like no, this is how it went. So I went in the seafood hub, in the seafood spot, right? And then I'm like, hey, can I get this? They're like, okay. Or no, I called them first. I'm like, hey, can I get a pickup order? Like, yeah, sure. 17 minutes. I'm like, all right, sweet. 17 minutes to get my seafood. This must not be real food. But anyways, I got there an hour later, right? Because I was a little late. And like, oh, sorry, I was a little late. But is the order ready? And they go, oh yeah, sure. 1 second. They go in the back. They come out. They start looking at their manager a little funny, as if like they didn't start the order yet. They're like, and the manager was just saying some stuff. Like I don't know what he said, but so I'm guessing it wasn't done yet. So then he goes, yeah. 1 second. Just wait right there. I got you. I'm like, all right, bet. I sit there. 20 minutes pass by. I'm like, hey, is the order ready yet? He's like, yeah, it's coming out right now. Or we're finishing up. I'm like, wait, I thought you guys already finished up. Next thing you know, I get my food maybe 45 minutes, an hour later. This is 2 hours after ordering. This is just seafood. And he goes,
Maybe they had to catch it.
well, there's a thing. I'm like, hey, can I get the bill now? He's like, yeah, sure. You know how long it took me to get the bill? Like, he gave me the food, right? And can I get the bill? It took them another 20 minutes to get the bill. Like, oh, sorry, we're a little busy. So they gave me the check. So then the thing is, like, they gave me the check. That wasn't it. I paid them, and then they took my cash, and they're like, yeah, I'll get you the change back. I'm like, okay, cool. It took another 15-20 minutes. It took like overall 2 hours to get the seafood. And then like when they were getting a check too, he took the cash, he pulled his iPhone, took out the calculator, he goes, yo, so how much should I give you back again? I'm like, shit, bro, I don't know. You're supposed to, you're the owner. And this is
Next time you got to show up there with the little chess timer. You know how you play chess and you just click the timer, just show up, and every time he walks away, boom, and every time he comes back, just make him click in.
Here's the thing though. The food was late, but it was so good. So I came back the next day, and guess what then happened the next day? It took the same time the next day. But the food's so good. I kept going back, and I had good reviews. Like, it was a good spot.
They're like, oh, this guy's back again. Fuck, let's take longer. And
No, it was
I don't even want him
good.
back here.
He's like, yo, you're back again? I'm like, yeah, I'm back again. Yeah, I thought you guys got me. It was I had to come back. I was gonna go back a third time, but I had no time.
Guy went in the bag like, all right, the Canadians here, break time.
But it's for real on island timing. Is that how they move in Miami too? I'm so used to New York and Toronto where it's just like quick.
No,
instant.
that's exactly how it is in Miami. Like, that's how they drive. This is how the traffic is.
Everyone
It's
takes
like,
their
can you move
sweet
over?
time.
All right.
Yeah.
You wait for
Miami's a
somebody
lot
to
of
move
times, too.
over and be like, yo, you honk at somebody to move over? Forget it. They're going to put their car in park. They're literally going to put their car in park in the middle lane on the highway if you ask somebody to move over. Lobster, shrimp? He definitely ate lobster.
Ate both. I like lobster. Oh, who eats shrimp? Shrimp is like, you can get that anywhere. They had fresh lobster, local lobster. It was good. And then some guy was one. You know those guys that when you eat food, they're like, hey, don't eat that. It's not good for you. I don't want those guys in my DMs. Ruining the whole vibe for me, man. I'm trying to eat lobster in peace. He goes, don't eat that. It's not good for you. You know this it can do this to your body. I'm like, man, come on, man.
Delete, block, delete. Vegans.
I mean, lobster, like they said, lobster isn't good for you. But like, bro, when am I ever in Turks eating lobster? Like, come on. They have a lot of conch there, though. You know conch?
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of conch. We get a lot of conch fritter lovers here.
It's
I'm
just
not
like,
big.
it tastes like mussels, no? Just same texture, like scallops, same texture.
I don't know. Not a big fan of squid. I like calamari, right? But overall, like, I'm not gonna get an octopus. I'm not gonna get conch. I'm not gonna get. I don't know. Like if there's other shit on the menu, I don't go with this.
What's in Miami? What's the number one? What's Miami known for in terms of food?
In terms of food, I'm Cuban sandwiches.
What's inside?
It's known for Cuban coffee, for culadas, for
No seafood?
some cafe con leche, some we got seafood. We known for Cuban shit. What's the fish that they do in the Peruvian restaurants?
How's that? How's it?
No, the ceviche. That's what it is. We get a lot of ceviche. People love ceviche here.
Bro,
Yeah, you go to Joe Stone Crabs or Billy Stone Crabs. It's fucking incredible. Stone Crabs. That's what we're known for.
Stone crabs.
Yeah.
Bro, I love seafood, bro. I'm trying to go to Aruba. I heard they got good seafood there. Oh, these crabs.
Yeah.
Massive claws. We got British, like West
You get a lot of these.
We got BC crabs.
But there's a season for stone crabs, right? They're really expensive, so like there's only a season where restaurants can actually get them.
I'm
And the
not a
big
fan
ones
of these
get them
crabs.
all year round.
BC crab. Yo, you ever had a soft shell crab?
Yeah, I'm not big into crabs. I discussed this the other day. I'm not big into anything that crawls at me sideways. I'm not big on anything like that.
UK got no seafood? Oh yeah, you guys don't. You guys have good fish and chips?
Fucking Applebee's has good fish and chips. That's everywhere. Ceviche is Kong. No, you can get different kinds of ceviche. Shrimp ceviche, fish ceviche.
Fish and chips.
Fish and chips is basically a fried piece of fish and some
Yeah.
some French fries. That's the shit you get for your kids when you go to a nice restaurant. You're like, yeah, and just get them some fish and chips. You can't make that your order.
Sri Lanka. Oh, I need to go there. Best seafood in the world.
I was gonna say Japan, but with that,
Japan's
not even.
fifth. Malaysia. Damn, Malaysia. I didn't know. Chile. Oh, Nova Scotia. I'm near there. I can go there. For lobster.
Sweden for
I can eat
oysters.
seafood all day. Guys.
You crazy.
Oh, they got these
I know.
lobsters.
I'd rather take a fillet mignon than a lobster.
I'd rather eat a lobster with my bare hands, and like I'm that type of seafood lover. Like I'm not gonna.
Lobster king.
I'm not gonna eat like fried seafood. I'd rather eat like fresh seafood where you dip that and like.
Into the lemon
I don't
sauce
like
and
eating the
it's
cooked
still
seafood.
alive and
Yeah.
it starts shrieking.
Yeah, I like that type
shrivel.
of seafood. Ooh, chili crab's good. Yeah. We might get a closer below the range for the ADM candle.
Yeah, that's the bias. You don't want it to pull back.
Well, I need a top wick obviously, but I'm guessing if the 1 hour is closing bearish after breaking the highs and the 4 counts, well, 4 is bullish, but the daily is starting to flip bearish. You break below this range here. I mean, hey, well, not on this candle, the ADM candle, the 1 hour candle close, so we might get a bullish 5 and a break of lows in the 5, you know.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, no, not this 5 though. No.
Because it's not going to drive straight off this 5, right? We still need the hourly to leave a bottom wick. Next hourly probably come grab up the rest
Top
of liquidity.
wick. Yeah, you have a lot of range going down, so like even if I missed like a 20-30 pips of this range, it's fine because we have so much range.
I think it might come down here and grab and just clear out some range, but it's not going to fill the range. It's going to clear out some levels here for us, and then as it pulls back on the next hourly, that's going to create a 5-minute range here, and then anything below that support that it's going to create, we're going to go and be in there like swimwear.
How big are stops though? Okay, not bad. Not bad. How big were your stops last night for Asian?
Initially, the idea was at around 35 pips. When I entered the trade, I brought it to 24 and then to break even because of the hourly close. I don't touch it. If I leave it, we hit full TP. It would have came really close to our stops, but we would have hit full TP. And I would have had to sit through drawdown for all evening until London, which would have that would have made no sense. And there was an indication of that happening. I actually thought about that happening with the way the hourly closed, coming back down and ranging, but eventually the 4 hour will still break up. And what it did.
Yeah, 3 AM, right?
Drove up. I mean, we would have been sitting pretty. It was just, but the idea is perfect. You know, the idea is correct. Well, I wasn't doubting the idea. It was a matter of the market doing it at that time. When if it ranged, then it was going to do it in London. We discussed all of that. It's you don't get your move every time, but you know, you get to plan every time. That's what's great. You practice your plan. Gain experience.
I'm like, I have a support here, 1878.216. I'm thinking below there much cleaner because you're gonna mirror this to the left there if that were to happen. Oh, this range to the left. Below 1878.216. You see that? Right here.
Every time it goes below, you drive.
Yeah, I drove. But yeah, below there preferably. And that's also the range too that you want to for the extra range. So not this 5, like we said earlier, Chad. It's not gonna be this 5 because you had the 1 hour close anyways. But the next 5 will give you more information, and it's also gonna be a 1 hour close, so the ADM one. And that's if you close below. If you close back into the range, then you know it is what it is. No positions. Why is there a range 2 breakout when the daily is bullish? Well, I just want to see this break above here for cleaner traffic. That's all that is, really. Above 1883.993. Above there for cleaner traffic. That's all that is. Would it be a fake out close back in? I wouldn't say a fake out because, well, technically, yeah, it can be, but again, the 1 hour is still bearish. Like you're looking at the 5. Look at the 1 hour time frame. You can say it's a 5-minute fake out if the 5 closes back into the range, or you can say it's a 1 hour fake out with the 1 hour closing back into the range. You know what I mean? So you gotta be able to read all time frames. Like no matter how it closes here, I'm not touching this range today. Like I'm not touching between 83 and 80 and 79. Like this entire range here is not for me. I'd rather take sells below here and buys above, or sorry, no, I'm not touching this range. I may touch above 83, but overall, like I'm looking for mainly buys above here and like sells below here or below here, right? Yeah, break a structure too. So even if this is a fake out, it's not something I want to take because you could easily, with the 1 hour being bearish though, still drive down for the next 1 hour candle, and then you're just stuck in this 5-minute range here. So like you really have to consider all the time frames. You can't just consider one 5-minute time frame. You gotta be able to read the 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour daily. Because you gotta make a story. When you have no story, then you have no trade. And the story here doesn't make sense just yet. No, when it was vol, no extra letters or anything, just vol. After how many years become profitable? 1 year. But there's different levels to that, right? You get more consistent over time. As years go by, you get more consistent. Your consistency grows. Your profitability grows. Your account grows. You get better. You improve. So you can get profitable easily, but can you stay profitable? Can you improve? Can you go from there and onwards, or will you start to plateau? One common mistake a lot of traders make is they get profitable and then they like that's it. They don't try to improve, get better, they get comfortable. And if they get comfortable, eventually the markets will catch on. Oh yeah, well Paul, what is it again? Remind us.
Surprise the shit out of me, Paul.
Yeah, Paul, don't forget. Oh, okay. Books are refunded.
How do you think I bought my lizard tank? It's all that funded money right there.
What color is your M4?
No, what color is your M4? I want to know that. It's Wix on the inside.
Green interior, she's kind of crazy.
go to millionaire soonly.
Do you usually wait for the 1 hour and 5 to break? No. Sometimes I wait for just sometimes I wait for just the 5, but I need the 1 hour to form the same structure as the 5 or as the higher time frame. Does that make
There's
sense?
so many nuances to a setup, and people. You see how people always want like just a black and white answer. No, so you just need this and this, and that's it, right? You just need a closure above any range, or you need, and there's so many nuances that go into the overall analysis. I think the 6:30 to 7 a.m. time frame is the most valuable for any trader that's coming on here. That's when Don does the breakdown, and you'll know the why, and you'll see the nuances, and it won't be the same for every single morning, right? It'll sound the same every single morning and monotone, but it won't be the same. The breakdown's different based on the way the market is set up, and you need to see all of those times where it's different, and then only then when you find things repetitive and the same thing over and over, that means you've heard everything, and now the same shit's being ingrained in your head, right? But until then, you have to go through all the possible setups and nuances and everything, just to see how a bias and setup and a trade is built from beginning to end. Because what you're seeing now is not necessarily applicable to the next trade you're going to take. It's not that black and white. There's a really big gray area of different nuances that make up position.
When we say like we'll say the same trade again tomorrow, and we don't literally mean the same exact trade tomorrow, because the same trade isn't gonna print the exact same way the next day, or again ever. Every trade is different. Like there will never be an identical one-to-one trade ever in your lifetime. Each trade it's like jeans. You ever had a pair of jeans? Each pair of jeans is a different texture of denim, little color, one's darker than the other, one's lighter, one has duty stain, one doesn't have a duty stain. So like, just like the charts, just like the charts. You're not onto the same charts. Things will be a little different, but you have to be able to recognize those differences in the same pattern. For instance, like let's say like the markets are going up like this, right? This is the markets. It's like, this is day one. Let me go on a different screen. This is day one over here. This is the markets for this day, and then the next day this could be the markets like this. Both are at the same then. Let's say day one you catch this move. Okay, let's say day one you catch this move, and day two you catch this move, or you catch this move day one, day two you catch this move. It's like it's a similar movement, but it's not the exact same. But if you look at our breakouts, all of our setups on our spreadsheet, each setup is similar, but not always the same, right? For instance, like you have, if I go to show you guys my journal for maybe this trade, let's see. Current higher low, sell. Let's see, can I get a go trade? Okay, so this trade, current high, buy, breakout, current higher low, buy, breakout, current higher low. Both were the same trades. This one was looking like this. $11 months ago. Damn. You guys remember Mark? I remember Mark. You got a full house here. Charles, Mark, Carlos. Even Ted was here this day. But yeah, this is the breakout. And then you had this as well. That was the breakout as well. Let me show you guys. This right here was the breakout as well. right? They were both the breakouts. Both very similar, retesting the highs, but different overall trade, but both the same breakout. This is more of the onion play, to be honest, but
God damn, everybody
this is
and
the
their mother's
breakout.
on there.
Here we go. This is the breakout. No, everyone's on this one. This one. Now you're in the same setup. You haven't switched one thing.
Even the two guys behind me are caught in there.
Oh, there you go. Look, see chat. This is similar. This is similar. These are two different trades, I think. Right? No, I lied. These are the same trades.
Same fucking position.
Never mind. That's the same trade. But yes, you guys get what I mean, right?
Same people on there.
It's gonna be always a bit different.
Same trade, but you guys know what I mean.
You guys know what I mean.
The thing, man. The thing. You guys know the thing.
Hey, do you get a closure below here? I got a support at 78 that we close respecting. So not yet. Almost there though, chat. Could be the next 5-minute candle, could not. You have 820 comics. You have no news today, right? No minor news? Yeah, nothing until 9:15. So you chilling. And 9:15 is also just a speech too. So you have nothing too major today. Things look good. I'm guessing this was your liquidity grabbed as you broke the highs and closed bearish below the range. So we can get a 5 closure below. And we'll be in there like swimwear. Next about no wick. Not really. Not too much. I just need a closure below. The one I was talking about, no top wick, right? One has a little wick there, but no, not really, since you kind of had a steep wick on this candle. This candle broke the highs already and came back down, closed below. Not really expecting anything too crazy on this candle. Overall, like as long as you respect this high here, should be good to drive. Like our stops will be somewhere up there anyways. No stalls yet though. You need a closure, right? You need to do discounted over here. It's only a forfeit range going down. It looks a lot bigger. Well, it could be a bigger range going down if you want, but that is the next support. Nice forfeit range.
Wish this 4-hour would close bear already. So we know it's not gonna come up and flip.
I've lost 4 trades in a row. Couldn't make it to a vantage point on any of them. Never had to have. Oh yeah, I know those ones. Never had that happen to me. Just took a W, so slowly gonna make these back. Imagine you stay in control is good. And again, like I said, the result does not matter. The way you react matters more than the result. So you losing 4 trades doesn't mean shit if you don't react. But you're staying in control, so that's good. You're on the right path, man. You're not doing anything wrong. As long as you're following your playbook, staying composed, not getting emotional over losses or wins, you're good. Keep doing that. And eventually, things will naturally come together. But 4 trades with no advantage point, yeah, that's a little tough. We'll say that. It's a little tough. What does ADM mean? It means 8 a.m. 8 a.m. is ADM. Sorry, I just can't pronounce. 8 a.m. Can I drive BMW? Yes, sir. Yo, Wix, you know when I filled my gas for the first time? I used diesel.
No, you didn't.
I'm joking.
You blow your engine.
I used the premium though, the max premium. Is the premium a scam?
Yeah.
It is, right? People, I was on Reddit. People were like, "Yeah, I have a Ferrari. I fill that shit with regular gas. Like, it's been fine."
Why you got a Ferrari if you're saving extra $3 on gas? Fill this shit up with the way it's supposed to be filled up and fucking have a great day. It drives better. You'll see it if the gas station is really giving you.
I mean, I'm using premium
gas.
regardless, but
Yeah, no, nice car, better gas, still drive better. You'll feel it. Get better mileage.
ooh, got one close. Yeah, don't use diesel though, you know. Things I don't know how it feels yet. I haven't filled my gas. I haven't filled my car yet.
It's on your door. What the manufacturer's recommendation is.
The little gas door thing.
Yeah.
Let's see. If we get a closure below here, we'll take a soft to rip. Let's see. Where would target be? If you're anticipating a daily candle flip bearish, 71 minimum. What's your target here, Wix? If you get a closure.
1871 flat. 18, yeah.
71. I was looking at 71 as well.
1870.97. That's where my level's drawn.
That's the day flip. That's the thing. If you're anticipating a daily candle flip today, since it's bearish, right? Since you're below that resistance, day flips at 71. You flip bearish on the daily. That's roughly your target.
Well, yesterday I had my cells below there. I wanted cells below there. Not two there, but at this moment, yeah, you can start anticipating daily flip if we get some closures below here.
How big are stops though? Damn. I really want to use a 1 hour stop, but
70 pips.
No. It can also be 81, a bit more aggressive. You're looking at 83.39369. That's your overall stop. If you can come up with a topic, I'll answer off the rip. During the topic to get a smart stop, but that's what I did for our last trip. We can't answer it as it was creating a topic already. I think yes is right during your session.
Somewhere around 1878.
Yeah.
.5, 1878.5, yeah.
1883. One or 2% risk, chat. 1 or 2% risk. I think it'll be around there for the account. Overall cap though will be a lot less risk, maybe 1%. But overall, I think this is maybe 1.8% risk or something if I were to have that stop, or 2% risk. I think on the dot of the account. Okay. 14, 13, 12, 7. Get your finger on the trigger. Oh, you also have a 15 close too, right? Yeah, 15 close too, so you can get a little top wick, I'll be in. Just a little top wick. Yeah, his range is 8 pips, so it's like, can't say 78. That'd be perfect. Not in yet, chat. I'm waiting for just a little top wick. Just a little top wick. You see the 15 close? 15 is clean.
I'm on the 15 right now, but I honestly, I want this 5 to come back up in range. I want it to come back above 1878.5. And if it doesn't, there's more sells a little further down at 1876. Oh, I'm sorry, 1874.
If it doesn't, then we will be Mr. Move.
Mr. Move?
Yep, if it doesn't, then we'll be Mr. Move.
Mr. and Mrs. Move? Mr. Move? You always miss the move.
Yep, Mr. Move. The thing about this chat is whenever you wait for a setup and you don't get what you want and things look like it's pushing down and you're like, fuck. Hey man, accept it for what it is. You didn't get your move. It's not your position to take. Can't stress about it. How are you gonna stress about a position that you never took? Or a position that you're not in? Why?
It's
a waste of time.
Wait till the next one to blow your account. Why you gotta get?
Yeah, you can blow your account on the next trade. Why blow your account on this trade? You have so many opportunities to blow your account. Did you flip there? No, right?
No, but if in 5 minutes we close here, comics will fucking.
I'm afraid I want to be in before comics because I'm afraid
I know,
comics.
You see, there's a little level here, right, where we're at on the 5, and I think it closed below it. Yeah, right there.
I know what you're looking at. You're looking at this. I'm looking at this right now. That's what I'm looking at.
Yeah, that's a little bit.
Every time it goes back to range, it at least came down to 74, 78.5. So we'll get that minimum. It's just I want a position before comics here. If we can get that, we can get top wicker gold. Patience. If it drives,
comics.
If it drives, chat, it drives. So what's the worst thing that can happen to you? We miss 71 pips. Hey man, if this is your position, take it. I just need a top wick, and if I don't get a top wick, then I don't care what's gonna happen. It can drive up, down 1,000 pips. Not my position. So again, if it's your move, just take it. Take your move. Always take your move. But this is not my move. I'm gonna need a top wick, and then it'll be my move. And that's how you gotta treat FX, man.
Give it 2 minutes. It creates a top wick here and comes back down. Even doji, you could take it off the rip.
Sometimes, like, a way to deal with the chat is you can't just gotta say it already drove. Just imagine price already drove down. Like it already happened. We already came down towards 71 here. That's why I look at it. So when it does come down to 71 and I'm not in yet, I already saw it coming. But if it doesn't, then it pays off. And I'd rather be safe than sorry. Would you guys rather be dealing with people telling you that you missed the move, or would you rather be taking a losing trade after people pressuring you to take a position? Oh, I'm in for comics here.
All this pressure on.
It's very rare comics will create a topic for us. Very rare, Wix. Some new guy in the chat today is probably like, why the fuck are these guys talking about? Just enter a position, man. Why aren't they entering a position? If you know it's gonna go down, then why don't you enter a position?
Wait, if it does drive down, great. Comics will clear out a range for us, and we can either trade that range as it pulls back, or there's a lot more range below. Yeah. All right, we have plenty of room till 1870, 1871. Here's comics coming down. Boom. There you go. I can't. It closed too low there. I'd want to pull back, but comics is coming.
Yeah. Comics is all this range going down. 74, 891 ish. I'll say. Potentially 71, 706. Chat, not in. Not in and don't care. I can drive down another 100 pips here. I need that top wick. That's what I'm gonna wait for.
Not ComFX, Comex.
Comex open 820, baby.
Like ComFX open. Felicia.
Was Comex. Comex open. Commodity exchange open.
Chicago Mercantile Exchange.
That's 10 a.m. No? Isn't that 10:30?
What? No, that's Comex. Chicago Mercantile Exchange.
Oh shit. It is what it is. You know what Drake said? It is what it is, yeah. Is that what he said? What song is that? That was.
I know exactly the part you're talking about.
Yeah. What was that? You see, chat? Don't care.
Mob Ties. There you go. That's sorry. That's the song.
Oh yeah, Mob Ties.
Thank you, Kai.
Brief, Glock in my brief. Put the Glock in my.
Wrong song.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. But hey, if this is your position, I'll say, man, if it's your position, take your position, man. Don't listen to nobody. Not even me. I don't listen to nobody. Because I only take my positions. Just like you. You should be doing the same. Right? But if it's your position, take it. If it's not your position and you have FOMO, this is what tests you, man. This is what makes or breaks as a trader. These times like this. So if you can't handle a moment like this, then you can't handle Forex. You might want to think again. If you're feeling a little FOMO. Because this thing, like I said, in my head, we're already tapped 71. If it comes down
chat.
there, it's no surprise.
No issue here, chat. There you go. I got a level right here too that it's sitting. So
it may just make its way all the way down towards 71 off this next candle here.
You know the good thing about that, it'll tend to bounce on the 5 minutes. So if it does come down all the way here, it'll bounce, right? And then the first bearish candle that we get here, right, will probably fill the range back down. So this could be our position right here.
Looking like 9:30, huh? I think he did get a top wick there for a second, but just a little nib.
Stop.
I didn't really expect a top wick for the 1 hour count. I just wanted a top wick.
Zoom in. Let's
gonna have like a smaller stop here.
I think
I wasn't expecting like this to this to be created, because you're waiting for this, right? I was waiting for just a little top wick here so I can get an entry here somewhere, have a smaller stop.
But we're anticipating the daily flipping, right? Look, the daily's about to flip here too. And with that anticipation, I believe, and with the liquidity that's already been grabbed, us driving back down to range and Comex open, I mean, there's a lot of indication of volume here.
Yeah, there's a flip again. Those are asking why daily bearish today. That is what it is bearish today, because you're still respecting this resistance here.
We're at our sells below level from yesterday at 1870.89. That's where we had our sells below from Asian session. There's value here, Chad. If the trade's not open, there's still value here. You guys should have learned something. This way you can utilize everything that was just discussed tomorrow and your and any of your other trading days where we're not around.
You have 8:30 here in 4 minutes, or you still get a wick fill if it pulls back, but
Yeah, Shameless Asian
it's
Plug
gonna be a
tonight.
lot.
We'll be live at 8 p.m. Eastern. So much easier now that we don't got to do this shit in the mornings. That I don't got to do this shit in the morning.
Are they gonna fake out? What do you mean fake out? The 1 hour was the fake out. The 1 hour range. As the 1 hour broke back into the range. This right here. Right? You're filling this range now. We're all the way down here. 64. And as the 1 hour does that, in the meantime, the day also flips bearish too. And with the day flipping bearish and respecting this resistance here, you have this range going down towards 1830, 1840. And as the day does that, and you're still respecting this resistance, because look, technically this is the day count today, right? This should technically be the daily count today. As it flips bearish and it's still respecting that resistance, it should be making its way down like this today, right? Where it's like this 1840, 1830 mark. With that being said, the weekly is also bearish as well. Weekly is also creating a top wick. And if you end up flipping to off the weekly, which is I think at the 1861, then you're making your way all the way down towards 1824 for the rest of the week, because that's your weekly target. So you see how like the one time from least to the other time frame, that's what it is really. And that's what you gotta do when you're making analysis on the charts, or when you're making an analysis. You'll be able to understand and read these time frames like that.
Can we create a support on the 5 and come up?
Scammer, you might have got messaged by a fake account. By the way, chat, only Instagram is it's Don Vol. Okay, I've been getting a lot of messages. People have sent me the DMs of other pages. It is not my page. Okay, if you're not able to understand the difference between it's Don Vol and it's Don Vol 123, then you shouldn't be trading FX. You shouldn't be getting scammed nowadays in the markets, man, or in the industry. So
Why this dude spamming scammer? Because he got scammed and he's it's a case of mistaken identity. No due diligence and mistaken identity.
it's not that hard, man. Just go on YouTube, link up the account, like see what matches what, you know. But I can't do anything about that. It's just how the industry works. How Instagram works.
I make him like an ass.
I don't think that's why MT5 got banned. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, this is a nice wick fill.
Coming.
Yeah, you need a bearish closure or something though. The same ones that usually say things like, oh, I missed the move, are going to be the same ones that are in a trade from sells earlier, didn't close off, see this counter retracing, now they're also saying, I wish I should have closed. The same group of people. You don't want to be part of that group of people. Missed the shoulda, woulda, coulda. But on a good note, chat, we have a 30-minute wick fill. 30-minute candle close back into the range. You got range going down here. Again, if we can come out to 78, I close bearish on the 5. Like for instance, like what wick sign just drew out basically. You're gonna need something like this to form. You get something like this, and then you get like a bearish candle closure back below the range, like this. Then sure, at that point I'll be in sells. We'll take sells come all the way down like this. That can be at 9. That could be never, right? Because we can just drive down from here on out. But if that forms, I'll be in there. If that does not form, then I don't care for the trade, for the position. Yeah. No top wick, make a runner. No, if he has it in positions, I want this kind of drive down for a top wick for you guys, but I mean, market will do whatever, right? If it does create a top wick, then there's opportunities for us. You got your position already. Yeah. Like swimwear.
Yo, how was that not a delay a game when LeBron set the record yesterday?
Man, they started. They lost.
They
too.
stopped the game because they knew that he wasn't going to celebrate at the end of the game, right? When they lost.
Yeah. You
It's
might
like,
as well
oh,
do it
you
now.
lost, but congratulations. No, they got to do it right away. But damn, I don't know how they didn't call no delay game on that. Shit, you grab the ball after you score as a delay game. They ran on the court. I would have been pissed as fuck as I was the other team. That's probably why the other team won, right?
Orlando, right?
No. It was
Mavericks? No, it was Orlando. No.
oh. It's you see how irrelevant it is? They lost and nobody even knows who they lost to. LeBron got the fuck.
Oh, okay. See, yo,
OKC,
but
yeah.
the guy who LeBron scored on was that guy was forever gonna be in the highlight.
Yeah. That's you know what? I would have just switched up. I was like, nah, you pick him up.
He ain't trying to play
Switch.
defense too. Just like, you know what, LeBron, just take it, man. I'm not trying to try hard here, and you still score me.
I couldn't believe they stopped. They let him make a speech, dog. 10 seconds left in the third. He had to make a speech. That fucks with your emotions too, right? Because he was crying and shit, and then he had to play like that. It's crazy. I don't know. They should have let the quarter end and then celebrated or something. Looking like a 9 a.m. position here.
Yeah, it looks like this 30 minutes not filled awake, and we're not gonna get positions till like 9 or something. Yep.
Yippity yip.
Because if you're not, if the 30 minutes full in the wick here, you're probably not gonna get that resistance being created until maybe 8:45, 8:50 if it does form, and then gotta wait for the 4-hour close at that point. 4-hour close is bearish back into the range. You know what the deal is though. Even though you don't have like a direction, like chat, like I said earlier, today's day where you're gonna see volume for the first time in the week, because you actually have a breakout today for the first time, and it doesn't matter what direction you break out of, as long as you break out, you have volume. So let's say this is we had a breakout to the upside earlier. This would be your range 1 fake out. You're breaking back into the range now. So as you're breaking back into the range there, there's a high chance that you'll likely see this counter here make its way down to sort of fill the range and come down towards these levels at the 1864 mark, 1860 mark, with the 4-hour close. One thing I will say is that there is a minor resistance somewhere on this 4-hour close. Let me show you guys, right around here. So you could expect, well, you would want the 4 counter to close below this level here, below this yellow line here, because that's where the resistance is at, like 1878. As long as it closes below there, it should be good for the 4 counter drop down towards the 1863 and so forth. Pretty straight. I don't think you tapped 71 yet, have you? No, 72. You haven't flipped on the daily yet. Daily still has all that room to flip.
Good way to look at it is if you're in a range for a little while, you probably, that's when people are like, why are you in a range, looking for a range 2 on a bullish day? Because if you're in a range for a little while, you need a range 2 regardless of which direction you go to.
Yep.
So that's why you might break up here, then come back in range. That was your range 1, and then below this range is your range 2. Or if you broke down, you still wouldn't take those sells. You'd wait for a range 2, right? So either support form, then be broken, or come back up in range and drive up. It's just an extra indication of direction. And then once you get those closures, it'll also mean volume to drive once it close outside the range. Just, you got to learn to interpret what the candle is saying.
So 0 trades? No, I have no trades there. No trades. I just came back from vacation, so this is my first stream back since Thursday or Friday. I think we took a W on Thursday anyways. Alright. Or was it Wednesday?
No, your last stream was Thursday.
Yeah.
Four-hour no top wick's irrelevant. You're not going to come up and make a top wick here on this 4-hour. It's going to close.
Yeah.
The next 4-hour should make a top wick.
Like I wasn't worried about this topic too, like on a 1 hour, like I said earlier, because like you kind of already had that topic on this candle over here too. This kind of already created a topic. It broke the highs and still closed below. Right, that was your liquidity grab, right? So this kind of having no topic was pretty, like I didn't really expect anything. I just wanted, like when I said I wanted a top wick, it wasn't the topic for the 1 hour candle. It was just a topic for 5. Like I have a smaller stop. That was it. Cause stops were like 60 pips. I'm like, 60 pip stops. I don't want to have a 60 pip stop. So I wanted just a little nib here, come up to like 77, like literally a 5 pip topic, whatever, and then boom, from there on, sells would have been fine.
Because when you're reading the candle, you're just learning to read the candle and saying, oh, a top wick came up, that means it grabbed liquidity. But liquidity can be grabbed in many different ways. If you break it down on a smaller time frame, you can come up and close with no top wick on a candle and then come straight down on the next candle, and that was your liquidity grab, right? As the previous candle showed, there's no more room to drive up. There's no top wick. Next candle comes straight down. So there's many ways to grab liquidity. The thing is, you've been taught to understand that, hey, this candle came up on a higher time on the hourly, it came up, it grabbed, there's a top wick and came down. That means it grabbed liquidity at those levels. But there are many different ways to grab liquidity, and it doesn't necessarily have to be in the form of the top wick or in the form of a top wick on that candle. If you can break it down into the smaller time frame and see that it was a return break above the previous level, grab liquidity and come back down below, it's just you're trained to interpret it candles that way. But if you break that down even further, and the concept itself, not the candle, but the actual concept of grabbing liquidity, right? The interpretation of the top wick is grabbing liquidity, right? That's the definition. But if you break down the concept of grabbing liquidity, it's what did it just do? It went back into a range. It broke certain highs, grabbed more liquidity because it couldn't drive previously at those highs. So it needed to break those highs, come up, grab more liquidity, then drive. It's all price action. It's not the actual candle printing. It's just price action where the price has moved. The candle itself is an indicator, right? It's the indicator on the charts. It's what tells you where the price is, but you have to understand what the price did. It's not about the candle move. The candle is just another indicator that's letting you understand what happened in the charts by showing you candles, closures, wicks, but you really have to understand where the price moved and what levels it broke.
It's the movement. It's just flow. Like this is just movements, right? Candles are just noise within the movements. But you gotta be able to recognize the movements. But candles are your best friends in terms of detail. You need detail. Like this is just movements. This is all that's happening right here. That's it. Wix is the next Uncle Ted trust. Wix is Wix 9.
This is Wix.
This is Wix. Yeah,
Yo,
Ted.
Don, how long?
You got
How
Wix.
long have you been hearing people say that? For a few
Bro,
years.
since like
It's so
2019.
strange.
Oh, it's 2020 when we first started streaming. Is that Uncle Ted? No, it's Wix 9. Uncle Ted's Uncle Ted. Wix 9's Wix. Don is Don.
Bet you nobody tells Ted, yo, you sound like Wix. It's the next Wix. No, shout out to Ted. I love Ted.
We love Ted. But Ted is Ted. And Wix is Wix. Look at GJ. You ready? You
see
ready?
it?
You saw that? I did it again for
I
you. real
saw
quick.
it.
Jeez. I just looked at GJ.
Is that what it looks like when you look outside the window in your M4? It's like, what?
It's gone. I need to go for a drive after this, man. It's been too long. I forgot how to drive. Is there a relation to video fake outs in range 1, range 2? Yes. If you go on YouTube and search up how to avoid fake outs, Don Vo. How to avoid fake out. I think I dropped this video a year ago. It's Don Vo. Go ahead and watch this video. It's a 17-minute video. It's a 20-minute video. It's right here. It teaches you everything. It tells you where we discovered it, how we discovered it, how long it took us to discover it, to range 1, range 2, and all of that. And this is a year ago. That's crazy because we've evolved so much since then. Like this was a year ago.
A good 1,000 people just discovered what Don's hair looks like.
Oh, for real?
That's the discovery there. What have you learned on Don's 20-minute video?
Don got
That
hair?
he got straight hair?
Don don't got a hair transplant?
Or that he has a hairline? W's.
If you're happy and you know it.
Grow your hair. Wigs don't got a hair pine. Facts.
If you're an overtrader, you know it. Clap your hands. Chat, how many trades did you guys take when I was on vacation that day?
If you're a stream hopper and you know it, clap your hands.
Would you ever take a ambassador for a funding company? No.
Oh,
Why not?
Yo, we'll talk later.
Why not? Because text me. Because I don't use funded my accounts myself. Not because I hate funded accounts, but because I don't use funded accounts myself. So what's the point of me doing something that I don't support? You know what I mean? Doesn't make any sense. It's like saying I trade for instance, I don't use. It's like me not teaching what I practice, or me not practicing what I preach. You know what I mean? It just doesn't make any sense. It's like if I were to tell you that, oh, don't overtrade, don't over leverage, next thing you know, I'm out here overtrading, over leveraging. Doesn't really make sense. Don't trade fake outs. I'm out here trading fake outs. It's not like I don't like funny accounts. It's just that I don't use them. So why would I be an ambassador for them? But then again, Lady Gaga, what the fuck does she know about Polaroids? You saw that video? She knows nothing. She knows nothing about Polaroids.
What the fuck does she know about cameras?
Oh, cameras. And then she was the owner of the. I mean, yeah, you can make money off of it, but I want to be behind something I'm passionate about. You know what I mean?
It's like LeBron promoting that gym, that home gym.
LeBron Town does not use that home gym. Yeah, that
What was
machine
that shit
thing,
called?
that
What was it
20K
called?
machine,
No, it was like 2K, but they were showing
the
LeBron
Biflex.
working hard. He's like, yeah, Mike, this is what Tonal, this is what I've been using. And I'm like, this shit came out last year. You've been in the league 20 years. This is not it. You surrounded by like 15 doctors, like 4, I don't know, nutritionists, and you in the gym with 20 people around you with wires put into you like you're the fucking, what's his name? The guy from Rocky, the Russian guy, remember?
Yeah.
I must break you. Yo. No, it wasn't a Peloton. It was the Tonal. It was
What's it called?
Tonal.
Tonal, yeah, something like that.
It was like this guy might as well grab a book.
He does not use that machine, the Tonal machine.
Just like he don't read that damn book. He don't read no books.
But money is money though. But it depends. This situation is a bit different.
Yeah, this is the reason LeBron is great right here. This is why he got 39,000 points or whatever.
I wish you get paid for this.
I know.
Got a bag probably.
Definitely. That squat.
Bro got 10 pips on crack. LeBron's D's.
Both of these.
Seems like every Tom, Dick, and Harry starting a funding company. Hey man, you gotta respect the hustle. There's money there for people to start a funding company. People will. But I just got different what's the word I'm looking for? I got a different vision.
That boy got 20, 20, 20. 20.
I'd rather drop a free website than drop a funding company. Let's put it that way. Not perspective. Fuck, I can't even think of the word I'm looking at, but bearish pennant on gold. Talking not working. Huh? It's on me? You saying we talk too much?
Word. Shut up and dribble. I mean, shut up and trade.
Yeah. I guess I'm talking too much. Or maybe you're not listening too much. You're not listening too hard. Because if you listen,
Bro, enter trades. You're just talking.
Wait. Well, you know what we'll be waiting for?
Enter trades. You're just talking. No, we. Okay, here's the thing.
Here's the
Enter
thing.
now or enter when we plan to enter. Which one do you want us to do?
Brother.
You should enter if you want to enter.
Brother.
Here's the thing. This is just an insight into the mind process of Don or of me or our thought process. This is just insight on what's going on in our heads as we're in a trade, right? Hopefully this will help you manage or set up or plan your positions in the future in a similar way, in terms of knowing when to lock it in terms of knowing when to really step away from the charts, in terms of knowing, being confident and knowing what you're looking for, and that and only that, right, can justify you taking entries. Just only the very thing you're looking for. Not, oh, if the chart prints this or that, maybe I can enter here. No, if only what you're looking for prints. And until then, you can just, relax, take it easy and step away. Keep your mind off every single movement. You guys, you'll get impulse, right? You'll get feeling, you catch feelings, FOMO, as you see the chart move up and down, and just drive. And I got to take a buy here, take a sell here. No, have conviction, be confident in your setup, in your trade. And if you have that confidence, you'll sit here on your hands and wait for it. You won't do anything. And if we just sat here and did nothing and stepped away, it'd be boring as hell. So at this moment, we're on LeBron's Fugazi commercial.
Like, chat. If you actually get a pair of headsets, Amir phone, and Christopher Wallace, you would know what we're waiting for. And if I was to take every position that chat were to tell me to take, my results would not be what they were. And these results are only here because we're disciplined to our plan. If you get a pair of headsets, you know what our plan is. We mentioned it. We drew it out. We said what we're looking for, and we don't care for what happens in between. Like, from what happens now until 9, I don't care. Why? Because you have a 4-hour close at 9, and with the 9 a.m. candle, that's when I get more information, and that's when we can start playing out new ideas for trades after 9, because that's the 9 a.m. close. So until 9, there's nothing we could do. I am not gonna care to take a position here, take a buy here, take a sell here. Don't care, because it's not our position to take. We need 9 a.m. to form. We need whatever we drew out earlier to form the exact same way we drew it out. And then once that forms, we're in there. But if you look at the bottom right of our screen, it shows the records on this side, and the record's there for a reason. Because we just take our positions, right? If I weren't to take my positions and just take round positions all day long just because I want to take a trade, then
chat record,
we wouldn't fucking be profitable, man. It's just it's not gonna work. Not gonna happen.
Yo, we need a separate box that says chat record.
And then people ask like, why they're not consistent, not profitable yet, because they're constantly always looking at the charts, constantly scanning for positions, constantly taking positions. They're not, like, yeah, it could be your position, but just because it's your position doesn't mean it's someone else's position too, right?
Perspective.
The whole world is going to take the same position as you. Everyone has a different way of viewing the markets, different entry types, different sub types. So this is just ours. You got yours, cool, great. Take it, take your profits and call it a day. But you can't force another man to take it to your positions. Like, you can't force Lonzo Ball to shoot like Steph Curry. It's not gonna work. That guy's form is a little different. So until then, you take your left hand.
If he wanted to shoot like that, you can't force. He wouldn't be able to force himself. Like,
take your right hand. You put the left hand.
Oh, here he goes with the hands again.
Your right hand, put it in your seat, and you sit on them.
Chat's like, yada, 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 yada. I don't care what he does.
Give me a fucking position, bro. Like, this guy talks way too much, bro. If we talk way too much and don't watch the streams, bro, I don't know what to tell you. Because there's plenty of streams out there. Plenty of streams out there. My bad, bro. What do you want me to do? Like, talk numbers? Talking market forms only? Talk only about charts?
They want pre-vacation done. No, chat. This is good because now he's got the vacay out of his way. And you know what happens when you come back from vacation? You come back on point and ready to hunt. And you know what that means? If he was at like 80% in the first month or two, we're gonna be at like $120%. I'm talking about output. I'm talking about actually, because I know you're out here just more or less relaxed, right? You're not really going hard right now.
No, quarter one we've been chilling. Yeah, we haven't been.
Yeah, we've been vibing, we've been chilling, but I think we're gonna go hard, really hard. Quarter two, quarter three. Oh man. So now we got the vacay out the way. We got quarter one out the way. Yeah, boy.
Here's the thing about chat too. Here's the thing about chat. Here's the thing. Chat. A lot of guys, not chat, but a lot of people in chat tend to forget that I'm trading for myself. Like I'm not trading for you guys. Like as much as I love you guys, chat, these are my trades. These are my positions myself. Like I'm not trading for an audience. These are my trades, right? So whenever they come, they come. But when they don't come, then they don't come. Like what you want me to do? You know, like take positions for an Instagram video? No. Like if there's a video, cool, we clip it, ship it. But these are all my trades. Like the record at the bottom right is all mine. These are my positions, right? So I mean, yeah, we could share the money, could share the pips, but at the end of the day, you guys forget that I'm here trading for myself. I'm not trading for the chat. If I was trading for the chat, trust me, I'll make everything a clip. All right. Patience, man. Just patience. Like we might get a trade to, might not. Who knows? But all I know is that we've been averaging maybe, like we have overall chat the last year and a half on stream. We've have on stream 100. Let's see, 136 plus 61. 61 plus 44. 241 trades in the last basically a year.
That's only stream. That's not
only
signals.
Stream. So I think on average, that's about 0.9 trades a day or something like that. Because there's like 200 and what days in the year for trading? 250, something like that? 280, something like that? I don't know, but maybe like 0.8 trades a day on average per stream. So we get a trade on roughly every stream. It says, bro, it's been 3 hours, bro. Relax. You know? Get a beer or something. Just chill out. Patience, man. I know TikTok messed everyone up, you know, no one got patience nowadays, but in trading, if you don't have patience, you will never be profitable, man. Never. Never, ever. Oh, it's 260 days a year? Yeah.
You're waiting for on gold for a bearish 5 minute to come back down in range.
Yeah, waiting for the 4-hour close. One, waiting for 5 bear candle. Yeah. So like, look, for instance, like this. If you have a closure here in about 1 minute and 45 seconds here, right? So we're getting close. You get a closure here as long as you close below this support here. Cool. The next 5-minute candle. If we could close respecting 78, if we can close bearish like this, respecting this resistance after closing on a 4-hour candle, then perfect. We can get a sell at like, you know, 8:10, 8:15 or 9:15, sorry, 9:10, 9:15 coming down until like 71 later on. But you need a top wick. And you need a 5-minute candle close. It's not FOMC, it's FOMC speech, so I'm not really like it'll bring volume for sure, but we're going off of price action. That's what we'll be doing. It's not like 9:15, boom, you'll see a spike, right? It's more so of like an ongoing speech. You'll see within the next hour and a half or however long that speech lasts, price volume coming in, and we'll be following price action. That's all we'll be doing. I'm not too worried about that folder. Are you taking a treatment drunk? I don't get drunk. I don't get drunk because I can't drink enough to get drunk. Oh, no. Roger's beating you up on Friday? Bro, he gave me $500 on Friday. You know, he's like show your live account name. I'm like, I don't want to do it, but I did it once. He gave me 500 because I knew that he said he capped out. I'm like, all right, bet. Now it's time to take the money and show him.
I don't know who's the bigger troll.
Ah, you see what I mean? He was a bigger trout. One thing I learned though in this industry, man, is everyone realistically, they're just chilling, bro. They just chilling. There's no, I don't think, I'm looking over all the beefs in this industry, like of all time.
It's all bullshit.
I don't think there's been a real beef, man. I think it's all been like, it's to promote themselves, right? In a way. So it's a W for both of them. And one might have a negative effect on them, but for the most part, you get publicity for both sides.
All exposure is good exposure.
Why is everyone saying go sell? Do you guys need to get a pair of headsets? You know?
They're hitting a fib level or something. They're hitting 61 haters on the fib.
If you go back 3 minutes ago and you watch what we said and drew out with a pair of headsets, you would know what we're looking for.
That's not enough. You need another pair of headsets.
I'm not taking a sell now. Sheesh. The whole day is chats and screaming buys and sells. Like you, at this point, I would have blew my account.
Need more headsets.
For real. I'm about to put a Turks and Caicos hat on.
What, the wet and soggy one that you?
Yo, I dropped my hat in the ocean. No, yeah, and
Still smells like crabs.
bro, I thought I lost it. On a jet ski. I came back to it 30 minutes later and it was still there. I'm like, oh, lit.
Bro, you're such a tourist. You're such a tourist.
I would never wear this in public, but you know.
You're crazy.
I know you're a tourist when you get one of these ones. One of these wristbands, you know, once this Turks and Caicos.
You know you're a tourist when you come to South Beach and you buy a hoodie that says South Beach.
Oh, I would never do that. Turks and Caicos is a little different. Not Miami though. I was in South Carolina. Or was it North Carolina? Where's Charlotte?
North Carolina.
Yeah, I was in North Carolina. That's where I was. That's how y'all spoke. We're arriving at North Carolina.
Hey y'all. How y'all doing?
Yeah.
Let me know. We got a vending machine. You want a vending machine? We got a vending machine for condoms. You want condoms? Vending machine for condoms.
It kind of looks lit though. It looks lit. They have a nice. I mean, I was in the airport, but they look good.
No, you bought a souvenir at the airport. She made you do it.
No, I didn't do that.
She made him do it, chat.
I'm thinking of selling. You don't think. In Forex trading, you do not think. You see and you do.
Execute.
If you're thinking, you need more time to backtest, more time to sample size. That's what thinking is. But I don't think. When I get messed up, I'm in there like swimwear, off the rip. When you think, you hesitate. When you hesitate, it means you haven't sample sized enough yet or backtested enough yet. So you need more hours on that and then come back.
I'll pull up his empty file on his first date.
Because you should be your own algo, basically. That's what you should be, right? You should develop your strategy to a point where you should be an algo for yourself. You shouldn't rely on your emotions to take a trade. Bro, is it just me today or chat is extra pushy on the buys and sells today? Like usually chat's like someone's like buy here, sell here, buy here, but today it's like they're
extra pushy.
They're extra like buy here, Don, like now, like trust me. One guy's arguing with the other guy about buys or sells. One guy's saying don't buy here, it's bouncing off this level. Hey man, it's the first day back, chat. Just, you know, just chill. we'll get a trade today. I'm pretty sure we got a trade today, but not right now. I can tell you that. Maybe in about 5, 10, 15 minutes. Once you actually form resistance.
Yeah, you'll get a clear indication.
But not right now for sure. Just relax. Back to your back testing. Like, the vacation was great. Trading for me is whatever. I can trade any day. But me not streaming on vacation was great, man. Not having to answer these questions in the chat every day. Bruv.
I feel great today.
Yeah, you feel great today. You don't gotta answer these questions. You gotta wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I love you guys, man. I love to speak to chat. It's just sometimes you guys are a bit wild. I'll tell you that.
Damn.
Anything about news? We'll be watching news, but again, it's a speech. I don't think we'll get. It's not direct numbers, chat. It's not like FP news where you get boom boom, 8:30, 9:15, you get numbers. It's sort of like, yeah, whatever he says will affect the markets. But at the end of the day, I'm following price action. What up, Secret Chef? All up, man. Yo, Maz, you gotta go, man. You know, you've been on a charge for way too long, bro. I can tell you, you did not sleep through London.
Disclosure like this.
Yes, sir.
Something like
I sleep awake.
this. Something like this. Yeah, what could come up here?
Like this. Because
But look, when we're closing here.
yeah. Yep.
We're just gonna repeat what's happened previously in the market here, and that's why we're not taking a position here. We're waiting for that to happen. Once it prints, the market will repeat itself.
Wait, did a 4 account create a topic? Yeah, it did. Yeah, you can close bearish on this 5-minute count. Perfect. If you got the top wick. If you can close respecting and then the next 5 closes bearish, or you can close bearish on this 5, we'll be in there like swimwear. Yeah. But yeah, 52 seconds left. Because if you don't close below here, or you don't close respecting, what's gonna happen is you're gonna get the fake up potentially, or range 1, because it won't be respecting anymore. It would just be closing above the range.
This is good. I want the fake out.
Yeah. But realistically, if you can get a topic for the 1 hour account, that'd be great. Someone said it earlier too. I'm not sure who it was. I think it was, like, I don't know who it was, but someone in the chat said earlier, we had no topic for the 1 hour candle. You could expect that to happen later, and this is your later now. Oh, Andy's back. Wait, is that Andy? Was it Andy from a couple weeks ago? Or is that someone else? I think it is Andy. Chat, when I'm in a position, you'll see me in a position, okay? Don't worry. I'm not in a position. I haven't been in a position since yesterday. Don't worry. The whole world will know I'm in a position. I will tell the Forex gods that I'm in a position, and they'll manipulate me. Don't worry. Oh, nice top wick. Nice. Nice. You might even create a top for the 4-hour candle. And that is why we did not sell. We're waiting for a closure. But this is lovely. We can still take buys above 1886. We can also still take sells below 1878. Stop again, too nice. Yo, wait, so what was the reason why you waited for a topic earlier? Because realistically, was it because you wanted a topic for the previous 1 hour, or did you just want a current topic? Me, I didn't really care for the previous candle. I waited for
comics.
I just wanted
Comics,
the
we
comics
closed
candle.
too far down in range. If it was the previous candle, that was the comics candle. I think I would have jumped in there.
I just wanted a smarter stop. That's why I wanted to sleep awake.
Yeah, and plus your stop at that comics candle was like 70 pips. 70.
Yeah.
Pips.
Like this
Other
one.
than that, we said it with the bearish volume and ever coming back in range, filling a clean higher time frame range to the left. You look to the left, there was one clean candle on the higher time frame. So I'm in my mom's car.
Mom's car. Get out me car. Bro, I haven't played hockey in like 2 weeks, and I got my first game on Sunday.
Don't get your ankles broken, dog.
I'm gonna go to the rink today or something. I need to do something.
Go sharpen your skates.
Yo, for real. I need to do something. I forgot how to play and everything. Is Dustin here? Nope.
Yeah, JJ, we hit 7K subs on stream today.
Congratulations.
Now it feels like I bought all these subs. I need to get to 7.1 so it doesn't look like 7
Just drop my
flat.
weight.
Fuck was that?
My weight.
That sounded like a gold brick.
I got all the gold.
Why are you hoarding that gold?
Yeah, the car got like 10 miles on it, basically.
The guys at the dealership put on more miles just using it for coffee runs than you put on. All I know is if you're in Toronto today, watch the fuck out. Don's gonna be on the roads, in the parking lots. Just gas and brake, gas and brake. You got an ocean handle?
No, there's no ocean handle.
Damn, so is it airbags?
There's an
What do they
eject.
do?
There's an eject button.
Word.
Just fly-
Ejectocito,
fly-
cuz. So what, your girl like wears a helmet and shit when she's with you?
What I don't get is when he started line, his line sells below here was at 879. Then he moved it to in, then closing below, then he didn't sell because there's a lot of nuances. These lines are just here for you guys to understand what I'm looking at overall. But just because you're closing below, it doesn't mean we take a sell off the rip. I need things to align the way I want it to align. In that case, there was no top wick, and that's why we didn't enter. But how many times have you guys seen where we had buys above here and we didn't take a buy and wait for something else and then we took a buy? Plenty of times.
That sells below here closure. That's for the stream. That's for chat to know what we're looking at.
Yeah.
So they don't sit there and be like, oh, what are you looking at? No, it's just when we're looking for it to get there. When it does, we'll discuss more.
Yeah. But it's not like trading isn't as black and white as you guys may think, man. It's not like you got this, you're in here. You got that, you're in there. There's a lot that goes behind it. And this strategy involves a lot of information and alignment in the markets. It's not just a closure below here on the 5. Like, yeah, at the 5, but you also need a 30 close. You also need a 1 hour flip, whatever. Like, you need there's a long story that needs to be told. But man, some of you guys now need to reevaluate your emotions, man. You calm down, you know? Just, geez, man.
I need more weed.
Me too.
Join me. Joined me.
Yo, HFX, I have a video for that. Go to exclamation point wicks in the chat. A link should pop up explaining different types of topics and why they're important. Honestly, in this case, like I don't really care for topics on the 5. That video is a little outdated. I'll say a year ago or so. But on the 5, I don't really care for toss and bottom wicks because those 5 zones tell you a lot overall if you're gonna create one or not. But you can get a decent understanding of it. But yeah, in that case, like on that trade, it wasn't because I wanted a top wick. It was more so because I have a smaller stop. That's why I wanted a steeper wick. That was it. So what's the play? Just joined. You gotta go back 10 minutes. Go back to 9 a.m. 9 a.m. I broke it down again. I broke down everything again, and I mentioned to you what I wanted for price to do for me to get position. I either need a closure below the range like this for sells, or I'm gonna need a closure above 1887 for buys. So whichever comes first, man. Yeah. Whichever comes first, man. It's 10 p.m. here? Shit, I don't... What do you want me to do? Change the time zone? Were you from Australia? No. 10 p.m. is what time?
The other side of the world.
Yeah, Australia. What time is it in
Asia
Australia?
somewhere.
Oh, 1 a.m. Never mind. Bali. Oh, you can see Marco's there.
He's doing it in person.
All right. You got the 1 hour top wick. You tapped into that resistance. Using a closure here. So you got 41 seconds.
Start flipping.
Yes, that's what you need to see. 1 hour flips, you have a sell stop right then and there. Not too bad, huh?
Not too shabby.
It'll be the exact same price point as earlier if it does come down. Thank you, user. User. The flip a current low, the flip of the 1 hour current low, or a 5-minute closure where the 1 hour low gets flipped at. So you have a flip at 77, you gotta get a 5-minute closure below there, or you break the lows on the 1. I don't have any sell stops just yet. I'm waiting for a 5 closure below 78.216, and then we'll be in there like somewhere. The stop above this high and target down here. Capiche? And at that point, the 4 hour flips too, the 1 hour flips, and you're looking to basically mirror these candles to the left here as you're breaking back into the zone. Be then filling these ranges here at 67, 65. That's if you flip. If not, it will flip. Not, it might flip. If it flips, those words go a long way. Honestly, in the next part of the course, bro, I'm gonna update it and put a section called vocabulary. You need to change your vocabulary when it comes to forex trading. Get rid of the words must, will,
Shoulda, woulda, shoulda.
or yeah, shoulda, woulda, coulda, shoulda. Might. I think. I believe. It will. And start using the word if.
If.
Not fair though. Those things go a long way. That vocab. Changing it bit by bit affects your day-to-day trading and your view on the markets. Think where your stop loss if flip happens. My stop loss, if it closes below, will be probably up here. 1882. Sells will be probably below 1877. Let me guess though. You asked me that question for one reason or two reasons. One, you actually care. Two, you're getting a position right now. You got a better entry and you're having your stop loss right there.
Yeah.
Remember, that's a cowboy entry, yes. But remember, it's only valid if it closes below. And that stop loss is only valid if it closes below. Because if you're taking a sell here, it's not the same stop loss. There's no reason to take a sell here for anything. So you look bored.
This breaks the high. I'm gonna be extra bored.
Yeah, me too. Cause you know me, you know. For buys, it's gonna be a whole another hour and a half.
Be so fucking bored.
Or a lot of chat knows actually. The ones who have the badges, or the ones who've been here for a long time at least. Ask us a way to have a stop loss. I mean, me too, but just smaller risk, right? I mean, lower your loss size. The bigger your stop loss, the bigger your loss size. Like if I were to take a sell that was 50 pips, stops, I would have a 2% risk for this account. You can do the exact same too. Have a 2% risk, 1% risk.
Yeah, but now you're making them go out and calculate what's 2% of $42 or whatever your account is. It's like adding extra pressure. F82.
Yeah, what diffuser should I get? This one? Or this one?
If you ain't getting a wide body, I don't even want to discuss the diffusers.
I wanted a wide body at first, but I don't want a wide body no more. M4 is already so wide.
No. No, your ass got to take up 2 lanes.
The thing is already so wide.
You need to be in a lane and a half. And that's a wide body. This is Don's car right there.
That's basically my car, yeah.
You're looking at his car.
Yeah, wide body is so wide. Look how wide this thing is. This thing is like
so much better. Look at it. It's
It
beautiful.
does look a little better, but it's just so
Looks
wide.
way better.
How am I gonna parallel park?
You're shy. You're gonna have your own spot. No one's gonna park next to you.
I better have 2 spots for that.
Another fat booty.
Why is the new model? Because I don't like the big rails. I do not like the big rails. What's the new one called? GA2? Yeah, GA2, right? Yeah, G's. Nah, I want the F's.
Call it and go get yourself some coffee on your bar.
Trying to fix this. Alright, chat, a little vibration here. No, we might get some positions here, but yeah. Might be a day actually. Because look, you're closing above the range here. Like, if you were to break below 78, cool. But by the looks of it, it looks like you're just gonna continue up here towards 1886, 1883, and so forth. And therefore, I mean, unless it flip, okay, I'll wait until maybe like 9:35, another 10 minutes here. If it starts to just respect 1882, I'll call that a day. Because I'm interested, I'm only interested in buys above 86, but you're gonna need a lot to happen to get to 86. And I'd rather honestly, if anything, go off stream and do it. It will be like maybe 10, 11 at that point if we do get buys above 86. Or I might call that a day overall, no trades. But I'll wait another 5 to 10 minutes. If you start to respect 1882, then that's a sign that you're respecting the support. You're creating support here, and therefore you have a high chance to fill this range here, coming up towards 83, and then make your way up towards 86 and so forth, and fill that range there. So I'll give it another 2 minutes here, see what happens.
Sorry, I wasn't listening.
Because I don't really care for buys above 82. I don't care for buys above 83. I care for buys above 86, yeah. But again, 86, that's gonna take a lot of time for that to form. If you do close just below here, if you do close below 81, then cool, I'll stay, because you have a chance that it could still flip on a 1 hour time frame, on a 4 hour time frame, with this being a top wick. So
Well,
let's see. Just wait and see. Just wait and see. I think it's time to buy and replace the word I think, and I'll read that question again. Not because you're wrong, but think, right? Think. Yeah, you gotta replace that word, man. Replace the word think. It's not a good word.
If we come down to here. Oh wait, yeah, I'm on the wrong. Zoom's always on the wrong thing. You're on YouTube. It's all right. I will not go on. No. Now I'm offended. But
Smoke weed every day.
Every time frame now on the 30. Yes, sir. Yeah. From the hour to the 30, you start closing back below there. We can have more positions. Position.
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 I mean, this 5 is closing below, so they just start. This is your biggest 5 bearish candle yet.
You closed here. You drop down.
But you're talking about, you said below 79, you said? Or are you taking us off the rip here?
No, I'm not taking us out here. I wanted below this candle. I want us to break the previous candle. I wanted to show us an indication of a strong bearish move. I'm saying if you see you had a closure above this range here. Now you're closing back in range.
All right, cool. So this kind of opened up. This kind of should come down further range. Cool. So if the next 5 or the 5, whenever the 5 comes, then we close below 80, was 87 or 1878. Perfect. I will be in there and we'll get a trade to downstream. But if it breaks these highs here again, then I'm calling it a day, because if it breaks that high, you're probably gonna make your way up towards 1886, and therefore I'm not interested in those buys. But you close below 878, perfect. We'll be in there like swimworm here, and it will be basically mirroring this range again, right? This range going down again. So if you're spending all this time grabbing liquidity and then creating a topic for the 4-hour candle, once the 4-hour flips bearish, you have range going down.
Any closure below there is the higher time frame flip.
Yeah, you also
The
break
break
the
of the
third man
previous
lows there too.
30. Yeah, break of the 30 and flip on the 1, flip on the. Well, you're not flipping on the daily yet, but it's a 4-hour flip. Yeah, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen here.
How about your sell stops? No, damn.
I really enjoyed that last 5-minute back.
Yeah.
You
Yeah, the market's heard me saying I'm gonna dip off if it breaks the highs here, and said nope. We're gonna wait. We're gonna come right back down. Yeah, chat in 3 minutes. If you gotta close below, I'm gonna mark execute a sell, but you gotta close below 78.216. Okay, so you have 3 minutes left, and then we'll have a sell stop once you close below. Here's the thing: if you close below, I'd rather have a sell stop on a 4-hour breakout lows, because it's an extra couple pips, but it's more worth it because it's a higher time frame flip and it's a 1-hour flip, and it's 4-hour, 1-hour, 30-minute flip as well. So you rather wait for that to happen to break the lows. Otherwise, you can still flip on a 30-minute time frame at a given point to drive up to fill that wick. So you really want to see the breakout lows there once you close below, and that's where we'll have our sell stop at potentially. And then you have all that range going down. You can target 71 and 70 and all that good stuff. Question is though, you might just flip bearish and drive. Let's see, 77 stops for 60 pips, targets around 67. Damn, this is the exact same price point as earlier.
It's not gonna dry. It's gonna close. You're gonna see a closure. 5. You got 1 minute left to the 5. If it breaks the 4-hour lows here, I think by the time it does that,
I'm gonna have a sell stop. 1877.079. 1877.079. Yeah, on the 4-hour flip.
0.
Yeah, on the 4-hour flip on Blueberry. So the 4-hour flip, 30-minute breakout. Actually, it's gonna be a lower cover for spreads. It's gonna be, let's see, what is this? 77.03. Okay, 77.03. For the sell stops on the 4-hour flip, 1-hour flip. I'm assuming the 5 is gonna close below, or the 5 is gonna be close back into the range. And with that being said, you can say it's a 1-hour trade. Yeah, it'll be more of a 1-hour trade / 4-hour trade than a 5-minute trade. But overall, we should be able to make our way down towards the 1870 mark as the 4 counts flipping bearish here, right? Because we're still bearish. 4 hours was creating a top wick, 1 hour was creating a top wick, and now that we're flipping bearish, we're back into this range, and therefore you have all this volume coming down here to fill the range. So
why not 5 off the rip?
No, even if the 5 closes here, I'd rather get a sell stop because it's an extra 2 pips below the 30-minute low and the 1-hour low.
Yeah, but the 4 hours already flipped and the 1 hour's already flipped.
Well, they didn't break the lows yet. Oh yeah, there's a close. So there's a close. Yeah, so I think the difference is what? Maybe 9 pips? I mean, you got the flip, but I want to see if we can break the 30-minute lows because the 30-minute low is still bullish, right? So I want to see if that can break the low. That'll also be a 1-hour, 4-hour flip. TP where? TP is gonna be at 1870, and target our stop loss is gonna be 1883.23. So I think this is like 2 point something% risk for me. Stop loss. You can have a smaller stop too, but this is the most logical stop I have here because it's the 1 hour candle high and a 4 hour candle high. Yeah, 5 closes into the range, so all that aligned, perfect. If we can get activated. If you don't get activated here, if you break the highs or something before you get activated, we just delete the sell stop and call it a day. But I got sell stops here. Let's see. This trade here, chat, is going to be, let's see, sells, breakout. I think as you can see, it's a 1 hour trade, not really a 5-minute trade, right? Because it's 1 hour flip, 4 hour flip. So you can say
4 hour.
1 hour break the current kind of low, basically. Current higher low, 1 hour. Oh. Yeah, so it's more of a 1 hour trade than a 5-minute trade, but I think we're activated here. So, wait, nope, not yet. Almost. 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 Not there just yet. But yeah, it's gonna be a 1 hour trade, I'll say. Oh, I gotta add this thing yesterday. This was New York yesterday. Gold sells, breakout, flip 5, and it was 8 pips. Are you in? Yeah, I'm in now. Yeah, I should be activated now. Yeah, chat. So gone sells here. Gone sells off of the flip in the 5-minute breakout lows. Stop loss is going to be the 1 hour high is up here, and target is roughly going to be down here at the 1870 for 68 pips. So probably how I'm going to manage risk here in this case, chat, is if we were to come down here. Yeah, so if we were to come down here and let's say tap, let's see, where's your next minor support? That's what I'm looking at here. I'm looking at advantage points. Where can we take advantage of price here? So I'll say around this level here, around 1875. I'll move stops to break even. 1875.510. I will trail my stops at 10% profit. I'll let the rest rock towards TP. But just remind me to trail stops because I keep forgetting. But yeah, it's basically just a 4 hour flip, 1 hour flip to fill the range going down. 4 hour fake out, 1 hour breakout. You can look at it either or a 5-minute closure below the range. Same thing. Yeah. 9:30. New York. South. Breakout. Flip. Off the 1 hour. What was your entry, Wix? Did you enter in the opening or what?
Yeah. My entry is 1877.89.
Nice.
I closed 50% at 15.
And yeah, 15 pips.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's actually 9 pips. Nice.
14.6.
But you have one position though, right?
Yeah, I just have this one position.
Yeah. So much range to fill.
When I entered it, the 4 hour already flipped, right? After grabbing all that liquidity and closing back in down in range on smaller time frame and higher time frame flip. It should drive here, right?
Well, look at the
Should
1 hour
drive
time
to fill
frame,
the
yeah.
range down.
I just can't forget the chill stops there. Not
I'm a
close
break
full.
even.
The 10 pip point is around here. 75.89. Yeah, once you break this low here, you should see a push of volume here coming down towards the 75-ish mark. But you gotta break the lows first. You got range going down. Wow. Clean, clean, clean. Yeah, Chad, this trade here is basically 1 hour time from
There we go.
Oh, I thought it dropped
broke.
further. Okay.
Oh, we rebroke the lows. It's gonna drop. Should. It's your advantage point here.
I think that's 75.80ish, and then we're in that zone. Should make its way down here towards minimum like 75.44. I just need to show my stops. That's it.
Big donkey drop right now. Let's go.
Why is this spreadsheet so messed up? Like, why is this 104? It's definitely inaccurate.
Bolt's twerking on the support. Couldn't it work?
That's weird. What was one for you guys? Let's see. I mean, look at if you look at left here, chat, it's basically mirroring this. This is the same move roughly. If you guys look at this, this is the same shit that's happening on both sides here. You had this right here, broke back into the range,
Boom.
came down, filled it.
You might
See anything happening here? Coming down to fillet. Fillet. Madras.
Oh, yeah, you should have. I think you had it.
Well, it has room to go down here.
There's a lot of room.
Yeah.
But here's the thing. Look at the news that as she's speaking. It just brings in volume that sends the price in the direction of price action.
All right, chat. Gonna move stops to break even here. Didn't close anything just yet. But stops to break even since I'm not really expecting this kind of flip. And once it comes down here, passing the 10 pip mark, I'm probably gonna look to trail my stops into profits. Around the 10 pip point ish, but it has all that range to drive down there. So like, yeah, that's why my target was 1870, or yeah, 1870 my target was. But realistically, it could be a little further down. It could be at like 67 if I wanted to, 65. It depends on how long I want to hold the trade for. But yeah, stop should be at break even for everyone here. All right, so okay, have his level here. Then come down a bit further. If you guys want to close fold, you guys can close fold if you guys want to. I see a lot of room here in this 4-hour candle, so I want to see if we can have a runner here going down. If it doesn't drop down, it doesn't drop down. But worst case, if it break even, right? But overall,
Lost money at this point.
it's got a lot of range. Yeah, this is the advantage point here, chat. So that point, that level is pretty crucial. You want to be aware of that level. It's a minor level versus a higher time from range going down. But if it hits break even, we call that a day, and that's it for the day. Some people would have closed though, I think, right, chat? A lot of you guys in the chat probably closed full. Congratulations if you guys did. And break even. And
Just look at the 4-hour.
Break even. Still alive. Like if you want to go for more of like the thing about the 4-hour time frame is if you want to just look at a 4-hour time frame, not focus on like the 1 hour and all that other time, those other time frames, then what you could do is you could kind of just oh, it's breaking down here. Nice. So there we go.
Perfect.
I'm gonna trail my stops and profit on the 5 break of the highs, moving my stops 10 pips in profit. And if this kind of flips bullish, then I will secure my 10 pips. If it does not, then it drives down towards TP and we let it rock. But we were very close to break even there. Very, very close.
She's a runner. She's a Trex. I got 30 right here.
Nice.
Not closing. I'm looking for more. I'm looking for 40. Hey, Princess.
I'll probably look to close off if it comes down towards like the I'll say in the 73 mark.
Yep.
So like there's like a minor support at 73, 72-ish around those zones there will be my close fall point. But chat, your stop should be in profit here at 10 pips. And if it runs, it runs. And this is what I was trying to do for the last 3 trades on the stream. I was trying to show you guys how you can manage risk with trailing stops and profit. This is how I'll do it. It makes sense here too, totally, because like the 5-minute candle doesn't have a top wick. If it flips bullish, it's probably gonna flip bullish and drive up, right? So, yeah.
Did you close any partials or you're just trailing?
No, just 10 pips in profit. Because worst case hit 10 pips, right?
Yeah, worst case.
Yeah, worst case. So it's like, yeah, it is what it is.
It is what it is.
It's like similar to closing half, though. Basically, no, it kind of adds up. It's like
Same thing, but if it drives here, then it drives.
yeah,
so
then
much
it
more.
drives. Because how many times? I mean, it's happened a lot.
But you can technically close half here now.
And if the rest
And still
rock and have 10 pips,
Yeah, and you still have 10 pips.
you can. You definitely can. You know what you do, chat? Look at the 4-hour time frame.
Yeah, just that's what I said. Look at
Okay.
the 4-hour time frame. It looks so much cleaner.
If the 5 flips bullish here, then it's gonna create a top. We're gonna hit break even probably, or hit the initial break even. But if it drives, then it's gone. I think because the 30-minute candle, 15 opened up just now. You could get a pullback for the 1-hour candle, but the thing about the 1-hour candle is that it's just opened up, or it just literally flipped moments ago. I'm not too sure how steep of a pullback we'll get, or if we'll get a pullback. But congratulations, chat. Again, patience paid off. You know, all the noise today, buying and selling, again, it's just noise, right? Trust your setups, take your own setups, don't take anyone else's setups, trust your analysis, and that's what we did today. We waited like what, 3 hours for 10 pips, so we're potential runners. But it was well worth the wait. And that's what trading is, man. Trading is all about waiting for your setup to come to you, executing, and reacting to that, right? But yeah, great trade today. Great breakdown too, twice. The first breakdown is clean, but this second breakdown is a lot cleaner. I will say that. This second trade does look a lot cleaner than the first trade, or the first trade that we had initially earlier, because of the 4 candle. It looks a lot cleaner. I think overall it did what the 1 hour did earlier too. It broke the highs and came down. It did that twice already, so this grabbed liquidity twice. So think about it. If it grabbed liquidity twice, came up to here, tap the zone, then came up to here, tap this zone, this one should run all the way down towards 70 here at this point. 70 and 7-ish levels, I'll say.
Got 1873.3 is where I'm gonna just close. I have my full
Alright.
TP in
Chat,
45
at this
pips
point,
here. Boom.
at this point, I'm closing
Close.
full of my positions right here at the 34 pip mark. All right, so there you guys have it.
Hey. High fives. Oh, where am I? I'm not on screen. I'm
Oh, my bad.
high five.
Hold on.
Hiding. Where in the world is Wix 9? Can't see me.
Wix 9 in the building. Congratulations, chat, on a
Can you see
successful
me?
day today, man. You're looking the wrong way, bro.
I'm hiding.
You're supposed to move forward.
I did.
Yeah, chat. It'd be like this.
Damn, dog. Come on.
Whoa, damn, gold. Relax there, gold. Relax.
Yo, can you sit the fuck down, please?
Relax there, gold. Relax. Congratulations, chat, on a successful trading day today. Patience
Great
paid
trade.
off.
Wow, it's still going.
It's
Incredible.
gone.
Look,
Yeah,
hey, we just
and
look at your broker. There's a gap.
I think you may have a breakout today for tomorrow. Look at the daily. The daily told you everything today. Like the first thing I noticed today, chat, was the daily time frame. That's the first thing you should have noticed today. The daily time frame, the days having traffic was just, or not traffic, but the way it formed was pretty much what we've been talking about for the last couple of weeks, right? Respect the resistance. 4-hour candle close bearish, create a top wick for the fake out range 1. 1 hour already had a range 1. 1 hour broke the highs because that kind of had no top wick. Flip bearish, drove, and that was your push. We came very close to hitting break even. Very, very, very close, but we survived. So now let's go ahead and add that to the first trade of the month on stream for us because I was gone on vacation. Sorry, but plus 34 pips. And also, but Don, you only catch 10 pips. But Don, I thought you only catch 10 pips. Hey man,
got 45 here.
Again, some days more, some days less, man. Right?
Yo, the thing is, this is proof of what you wait for all morning. This is for everyone that was this is for all the noise the entire morning. That's just sell now, take a trade here, buy now. No, you wait. This is what we said. We're gonna wait for what we want. And when that prints, we'll take it. And if it never prints, we'll never get in. And what do you know? More
it is what it is, yeah. Chat, if you guys enjoyed that trade, though, leave a like on the stream. Smash the like button. Sub to the channel. Let's get 700 likes today. 700 to 800 likes today. Thank you so much for coming by today, chat. Love you guys. Thanks for the support. And thank you, Wixnine, for holding it down. And by the way, Wixnine, good entry there. You had a better entry. You had a nice entry. Yeah, I was a little jealous. And I was like, when you were like 15 pips, I was like, all right, 15 pips. All right. All right, shit. What can I do?
Because you were really close to hitting break even.
I was like, yeah. Very close, but blueberry spreads held it down. Thank you.
Yeah.
1 pip spread. Love it.
TD.
4 for 4. I've been seeing a lot of 4 for 4 lately, too, around me.
4 for
What percent do we make today? Less than like 1% today, I think, chat. We made 1% today, right? So, good stuff. So good stuff. New record is 100, and let's see, our record for a lifetime on stream, 100 and wait, why is that 113? I'm tripping. Hold on.
You is tripping.
Wait, this is wrong. Oh, this is gold. Okay, there we go. There you go. Yeah, that trade had a 80% win rate. 1 hour time from 80%. Previous higher low 66, and breakout 74. So around like a 75, 80-ish win rate, I'll say. Yeah, there we go. This is the record. So 136 wins for a lifetime. And then monthly is 1. So cool. On that note, chat, enjoy your profits for the day. I'm gonna go drive my Beamer. Have fun with it. This is a long time. I've been waiting for our win.
Who got the keys to my Beamer?
I gotta also go find some parts, go some local spots and see what they can do for me.
Yo,
but yeah,
Chad, before you dip, Asian session plug. Shameless Asian session plug. Be there tonight in a few hours, 8 p.m. Eastern. Well, in 10 hours. As Asian session continues, it's hump day. Hump day! Wednesday. Let's see if we can continue this daily drive down.
What do you mean by hump day?
Hump day. Wednesday is hump day. It's the hump. You get over the hump, right? The weekly hump. Monday, Tuesday, then Wednesday's the hump, and you have come back. You call it the V pattern, right? Today we come out on the other side of the V pattern.
I got it.
So let's see if we can continue to drive for the rest of the week down. Is daily flipping here? Hold on. Daily flip.
Daily flip, yeah, for sure. It flipped and came down. But we can close bearish today. Oh man, oh man, we going on. Asian will be interesting.
Asian's gonna be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
Maybe Don will join us.
Yeah, I might join today.
Maybe he'll be sick and tired of driving his Beamer.
I might get relaxed. So yeah. All right, yo, Reza. You still here? Yeah. You can hit me up. I'll be on for a minute. All right, yo. Chat. Peace out. Oh, wait. Wordle. Fuck, man. Weak ass game.
I don't even want to do this shit no more. Too nice.
Did the font change for this Wordle game, or am I just, I haven't been here for a while?
You haven't been here for a while.
Damn. Whack.
Man, that guess was whack.
I couldn't have done anything else. What am I gonna do now, bro?
Yeah, I can't see the available. Oh yeah, I can.
Slaps. Hey, get the L, bro. Get the L. Like, it's pretty easy now. What letter? What word has an L in it? We got the first 3 letters, so it's like, or yeah, it's flag. Flag. Flamey. Flammy.
Flan. Is that 2 N's at the end?
Nah. It's
Should
one
be.
N.
Glazy. Is that a word?
Yeah, it's a good guess. That's the word. Terrible.
That's a terrible guess. Don't let me guess nothing.
Oh man, we're not losing a world today. It could be too
Balaki? Is Balaki in here?
oh shit, Kieran is here. Keelan is here.
Which one is it? Keelan or Kieran? You better
Oh, they're both
better
here.
figure it out. Are they both here? Keelan and Kieran? Always come together.
Wait, what the hell? I saw Kieran here. I guess Kieran's not here.
What's good, boys?
What up, Central C?
What's up? What's up? How was Turks?
It was fun. I didn't go to Aziza. I saw it though. I was right next to it.
Yeah.
I was in the front, but I didn't like eat there.
Aziz is fire, bro. Aziz is fire. Turks is a special place. Beautiful, man.
That spot is fire, bro. The casino is fire too.
Yeah. It's right across the road from Aziza.
Yeah, I was there. That's where I was. Casablanca.
Some live FX trading.
I think it's like LAU or LAI. It's
Claim. Ah, oh, yes.
plain.
about IL? Like, that's a word?
Flail.
Grail, glail.
Flail.
What's flail?
Flail.
Flail. Yeah.
Like
What does that mean?
flail. I don't know.
Flail your hands in the air.
Like wavy, be wavy. I don't know the exact thing. I know if someone's flailing, I can tell they're flailing.
We fucked this one over. We're
You
done.
got two. You got
We're
2
gonna
minutes left.
we win this.
Hey. Hey.
What the hell, man? Boy, oh boy. There goes that man.
Goddamn.
Anyways.
Positions? Or something?
Positions? Can we get some positions? No, we're done, chat. No more positions today, okay? We're going back tomorrow.
Positions.
Oh, look at that
Only
1 hour. Look
positions.
at that 1 hour close. That 1 hour gladiator candle. Wow.
Slow down.
Well, chat. You're on your own. Peace out, guys. I'm gonna call it a day here. All right, this
So
is the
you
day.
ain't going, no contexto?
Ah, shit.
So we ain't gonna
ass
weaver this
game.
bitch?
Weak ass contextual game, man. Shit. Do not. Like
I like contexto. I'm not big on a weaver.
Oh, yeah, contextual's not bad. Yeah, Weaver is terrible.
I hate that
Bro, I've
game.
been gone on vacation for too long.
It's this shit again, man.
I'll do a quick watch. Wood. Art.
Pause.
Horse.
Mom.
Wood. Art. Dad.
Top.
Well, that sucked. Heart and wood.
Hearts? That's some good guesses though.
Mm.
Yeah, wood, beach, and hearts.
Organ.
Wagon.
Organ.
Huh?
What are you saying?
Organ. ORGAN.
Oh.
Man said wagon.
Organ. Organ.
Organ.
Yo,
No.
you.
Well, who's
Bro,
an
like-
ogan? Yo, you better stop cursing.
Wait,
dog. Call me
ORGIN?
an ogan.
Organ, as in your internal organs, like your lungs an organ, your heart is an
Oh.
organ.
You're talking about ogres.
The word doesn't count.
This ain't Shrek.
Oh, no way. That is a word. What the fuck?
Organ,
Nah,
right?
not the way you say it.
Organ.
It's like, no, I'm not having this, bro.
Cheese. Bread.
Love.
Beat.
No, we need some
Ooh.
love in there. Hey, he told you all you need is love, and it'll get you on the way.
Kiss.
Exactly. The answer is love.
Marriage. Marry.
No, not that kind of love. You need that that rough kind of love, you know.
This is on one today.
Come on, man. You
Alright.
guys are too wild. Let's get this show on the road, huh? Let's figure this out.
Organ.
Organ.
I don't know how you get sports after I said love. Everybody
Car.
loves differently, but damn.
For the whole chat.
Marriage.
Yeah. Infatuated. It's like another word for love.
That's about right. In fact.
D.
No.
Yeah. I mean,
No, it's another word for confused. Let's go.
I confused.
Home. House. Bruh. Water.
Love. Kids. Children.
Water and love.
Birth.
Date.
Emotions. Feelings. Oh, it's these type of words.
Mm.
Passion.
Steakhouse.
Oh, passion was good.
Life.
Connection. Ooh,
Life.
Birth.
Love. Life.
Live, laugh, love.
Kids, I'm telling you.
Oh, life.
No.
Death.
Oh, we had kids.
No.
Never mind. We had kids. Yeah. Love. Life. Happiness.
Do we say birth? Or born?
True.
True.
Nah. Life. True.
Camera. Photos.
Ooh.
Picture.
Memory. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Next signal. Bruh, I... If somebody comes here asking for buy and sells one more time, all you guys do is talk. You guys don't trade. Hey man, I guarantee that person left the stream, came back just now and be like, wow, I missed the move. I missed it. I stepped away for 1 minute. Climate. Human.
Ooh. Person? No.
Nature. Nature.
No way, bro. That's like the most obvious one.
Nature, natural essence, divine spirit, creature. I knew something like this.
Biosensor.
Organ.
Organ. Is the whole chat still just organ?
Jeez, we done so. Oh, never mind. Weaver.
Oh,
Dodge.
another one?
Doge coin.
Yep.
I got shit to do today. I don't know what you guys.
Nah,
I gotta get these proteins in. Gotta hit this ISO 100. Yo, where's our cheat code?
Don't got that dog in him.
Where is he? Where's our damn cheat code?
Corgi?
Oh no.
How does that even... Bro, you didn't even change that. Are they giving you points for writing your name?
Doggy.
Do it.
Gone. What
Dogs.
words make coin? You know what, bro?
Dogs.
Bro, I'm fairly certain DOGY is not
Cogs.
a word.
Go to
I swear.
cogs.
Your cause definitely be something. Yeah.
There you go.
No, we didn't end.
Yeah. Cons, as in con man. CONS. Oh.
No, you can't have an either.
Mm.
Oh, you can get coil. You can get coil somehow.
Yeah,
How do you get the
yeah.
L? How do you get the S? The L?
Oh shit, that's two letters.
You gotta hit him with the all. It's coos,
Mm.
and then cool.
That's what quiz. What?
COOS. I don't know if that's
OS.
the word.
Coup is So
So
coos.
then cool. COOL. I'm not
Weeks is
risking
cooking
the.
right now.
I'm not risking the putting the N in there. So we're gonna have to go with cool
Oh shit.
oil, and then we're gonna go with coin. We could have went the other way, but I wasn't risking it on stream. You know what I'm saying?
Hey,
Hey yo,
That's for
W
dubs, chat.
man.
3 dubs.
Finally. W. Welcome back.
W, double me, double S. Wix was in a hurry for the gym. I'm trying to get this protein in. I haven't had breakfast yet, Chad. I'm gonna get protein in. I'm gonna wait about a half hour. I'm gonna start cooking breakfast. Once I get breakfast in about an hour from now, I'm gonna give it like 20 minutes, smoke a fat fucking Jamaican joint, go straight to the gym.
Alright, bro, I'm gonna just get drop my M4, bro. Alright.
It's gonna go room room.
Bro, tell me how come it doesn't sound loud when I'm in comfort mode, bro?
You know what you gotta do? You gotta put something in your pipe.
Yeah, I gotta fucking tune it up, right? I know, but I don't want to
Get
tune
a
it up.
straight pipe.
But like, there's no way natural. Like, it only burbles when I'm on Sport Plus, but I'm on Drive Sport Plus all the time.
Sport Plus.
Yeah, that's the only time
What
it
do you do?
burbles.
You'd be leaving the gas station, look in the navy, put in the next gas station.
Yo, I killed my gas within 1 day on Sport Plus.
One day, like 3 exits, like 8 miles to the gallon and
Like,
shit.
I can't do anything natural to make it burble more. Like nothing, right? I can just.
Hit the open road, fool.
Because it's got an electric valve, you gotta switch your modes, it opens and closes. So I can't open a valve on comfort mode
Today's gonna be a tough day for the streets
or
of
close
Toronto.
it and take an exhaust. Yo, this is too much for me, bro. Like it's
It's gonna be wild in Toronto today.
I didn't get winter tires, bro. That's what I need to get.
I need to get some Canadian news. Need to get access to fucking Toronto news. Today, Toronto man.
But like, I don't think so. It's comfort mode for a reason. But isn't there a way with like at least
There is no comfort mode.
there's
in
comfort
an
mode, but different. There's different
Doesn't
performance
exist.
modes. No, I can turn I can change the performance mode by being comfort mode, or no. You know, I'm gonna read the driver's manual.
That's called economy mode.
I don't drive no economy mode.
Imagine they put eco mode and like
M4.
in the Lambo.
I think there is.
Eco, fuck at it. My shit would be.
Yo,
This
that
shit
burble?
it needs to say room mode. That's what I needed to say.
Bro, the burble sounds sexy, man. When I heard the first burble in my life, I was like, yo. The natural burble too, not the crackling shit that you hear in the videos on YouTube, you know? Like, I don't like to hear the loud ass crackling sound. I
No,
wanna
the
hear
crackling noise. That's
like,
the best
the
kind
one
of
that
noise.
sounds like shit, like boom, boom, boom. I'm like, yo.
Yeah, it sounds like your shit is broken, but it's really fast actually. It's like, is my shit fucked up? Oh no, that's just taps.
Like-
You'd be driving down the street, people flagging you down. Dude, your engine's broken. No. I like that color, that blue color.
Yeah, I like the
Sure
blue
is.
color too. It's clean. I think was it Q Banks or Ryan had that? I think Ryan had that.
In that color. yeah.
Get rich, whatever his name. My life real quick, something like that. I think he had that.
Get rich real quick.
Get rich real quick.
No, that's the fake account everyone's getting scammed by on IG. Get rich real quick. That's a great noise.
That's stock too. That's what I have.
Yeah, you
Stock officer.
Like, you know how you hear like these loud ass cracking noises, like when
what
it's
color
like,
you getting? He already has it. It's parked in his driveway.
I have one.
Yo, did you do a vlog with you picking it up? There
Huh?
goes Don.
RS5.
You can tell he was hype. He's been watching M4 videos all vacation.
Yo, how do you get this? Well, yo, these fire things. How do I get that? What's that called? Flames.
Do you want it when it's parked or do you want it when you're riding? Because
Wow.
we can get you some flames.
Yeah.
Just draw some flames on that bitch. Telling you, adds like 25 horsepower.
Dante 40 pips TP or for a car. I gotta find a way.
Yo,
I
2024,
can't.
Don's cooking filet mignon at the exhaust of his car.
Oh yeah, that's how we're gonna write it
Straight.
off on videos. Yeah. If I stream from it, technically I can. I gotta stream every day on it. Not
In the
doable.
car,
Yeah.
not every single day. You can have a vacation. I took a vacation in my house. Streaming from the house.
This is a way to finesse it, probably. You ever watch his videos? Or is it just me?
Just you. Literally.
That's what I be doing.
Don.
I'm just new. I'm new to the industry, so give me some time, you know. But
What industry? Driving? Having a car? What the fuck?
bruh. Alright, yo, chat. If you
It's
guys want to help
like-
me out with cars, hit me up in the car channel on Discord. Hit me up.
Give me a minute. I'm new to this walking thing.
Hit me up in this channel and let me
Taking it
know. Let me know what I
step
should
by
do.
step.
Alright, chat. I'm off of this.
You should take a cell.
Me? So? Never.
You just said, let us know what I should do. You should take a cell on that M4. And then as it comes down and retests, you can buy on the M5.
Wait, yo, did you close at 60 pips there? You closed at 30. What'd you close at? Or 45?
45.
Ah,
45.
I was thinking of letting it rock for like trailing stops again, but
No.
to where like I wanted to close that, but slowly just move stops down every pip.
Every pip of the way.
Yes, sir. All right, yo, chat. Peace out. Love you guys. Thank you. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow at 6:30 a.m. 6:30 a.m. morning. Wow, 6:30 a.m. Eastern. All right. Peace out. Leave a like. Love you guys.
Later, boys. See you at 8 p.m.
Later.
See you, boys.
I'm gonna hit you guys in the car channel. Peace out. Rez, I got you. It is what it is. Yeah.
It is what it is. Whatever you did.
All right, we're gonna play some music for today's.
We'll get copyright.
What yo?
Later.